डायरेक्ट स्विच। हरि बोल। हाँ ठीक करो। ओके चलो। हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण। हरि बोल। हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण। हाँ हरि बोल। इसमें बंद है।
हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण।
हाँ ऑन करना पड़ता है। अच्छा हरे कृष्ण। अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतीस्मद भक्ति वेदांत श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतमद भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतमद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज श्री गौरगंध गोस्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार है। हम लोग श्रीमद् भागवत की दशम स्कंद 90 अध्याय 48 नंबर श्लोक की हम कुछ आलोचना कर रहे हैं।
10th Canto Bhagavatam, chapter 90.
समस्त भागवत की सार एक ही श्लोक में
So we are describing this verse, which is the essence of the Bhagavatam in one verse.
जिस कथा प्रसंग हम लोग श्रवण कर रहे हैं,
So you are listening
अपराजित नवीन कामदेव,
how the transcendental Cupid, ever fresh and ever young Krishna, may he be successful, always victorious. Always victorious.
स्थिरचर बीजनग्न सुस्मित श्री मुखेन ब्रजपुर वनितानां वर्धन काम। कुछ व्याख्यादि श्रवण।
So we are listening about the meaning of this verse.
भगवान ब्रजनंदन श्याम सुंदर।
So Swayam Bhagavan Brajandananda Shama Sundara.
वह समस्त जीवों के हृदय में निवास करते हैं, जनो
So
निवास।
he lives in the hearts of all the living
कैसे
entities.
जीवों के हृदय में निवास करते हैं?
So how does he live?
परमात्मा के रूप
In the form of Paramatma.
Yeah.
So this sloka is Bhagavatam 10th canto, 90 chapter, 90 chapter and 48th verse. So there is this controversy,
देवकी नंदन,
like
कोई कहता है
saying Krishna is son of
Yashoda.
Devaki or Jashoda.
है। तो वास्तव उनकी माता पिता कौन है?
So who is actually his real parents? Who is the real mother and father
ये
of
भी
Krishna?
संघ से उत्पन्न हो रहा है।
So this doubt is there, this discussion, this controversy is there.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं देवकी
So-
जन्म बाद।
That's why Devaki Janma Vadu.
रूपी क्षत है, लोग कहते हैं।
People say that he is son of Devaki.
क्षत में लोग जानते हैं।
So like people know him as being the son of Devaki. He is known as being the son of Devaki.
परिषद माने उनके परिकर कौन है?
And who is Jaduvara Parishad? Who are his associates? The Yadukul, people from the dynasty of Jadu.
अधर्म करके उन्होंने क्या की? अधर्मकारी को उन्होंने कैसे विनाश की? अपने दो भुजाओं के
He
द्वारा।
destroys the dharma, the irreligious things and irreligious persons with his arms, and also with his associates, like by his Arjun and other associates. He also destroys
को जो है विनाश किया।
irreligion and the
स्थिरचर बीजनग्न सुष्टुत
he destroys the irreligion with his arms and with his associates.
स्थावर जंगम पापहारिकारी मधुर हास्य
Also
के द्वारा
with his
ब्रजपुर और वनिताओं
beautiful
की
smile.
कामवर्धनकारी कहा जाता है।
He captivates the hearts of everyone, and also
2-3 दिन जावत
so for 2-3 days we are discussing about this shloka, some discussion about this verse.
इसलिए
And also he takes everything which is impious, like all sins from the living entities. He kills everything which is inauspicious.
जययुक्त हो, और विशेष करके हम यह बताया
So all the living entities moving inert.
वर्तमान काल।
So we say that Jayati means the presence. I'm always remember you again and again what I said.
क्योंकि चित्त जगत में एक ही काल,
because actually in the transcendental world there is only one tense, which is the eternal present. This is the only tense, like
अतीत और भविष्यत काल नहीं।
so in the there's no past and no future in the transcendental world, only the eternal present. So Jayati means this, may he be always victorious, forever and ever victorious, and yeah, like victorious, Jai, like victory or glorious. So
पराजय किसकी भी होगा, तब तो दूसरे काम जय युक्त होगा।
So when we say Jai, I mean somebody wins and somebody loses, isn't it? Loses. What did I say?
गोपाल समझ में आया?
Gopal, are you understanding?
क्या बोला?
What did I say?
शब्द के द्वारा
So by the word Jayati, you're saying Jaya Jukta, like maybe you be victorious. So if you are victorious, somebody is going to be defeated, isn't it? Isn't it?
जय युक्त हो,
So you be victorious means that another person
पराजय हो,
will be
ये
defeated.
तो होता है।
This happens.
तो यहाँ पर भी
So
भी विचार भी करना चाहिए, क्यों जयति शब्द के द्वारा क्या कहना चाहते हैं? जैसे कहते हैं आप जय हो, आपके जय।
so like if you say you
हम
be
लोग जय देते हैं,
like you be victorious.
किसको जय देते हैं?
So
भगवान और
Jai.
भक्तों को जय
So
देते
give Jai or victory to
हैं।
God and His
भगवान को जब हम
devotees.
जय देते हैं तो विपरीत रूप में किसी न किसी पराजय तो होता है, तब तो जय युक्त होता है।
So if they are victorious, somebody is going to be defeated. That's why they are victorious, isn't it? So
माया जो है, बहिरंगा शक्ति माया,
Bahiranga Shakti Maya,
जो कड़ीभूत करके रखा है, वो पराजित हो।
Maya, this external potency, she will be
क्योंकि एक के
defeated.
पराजय दूसरे की जय होता है।
Because if somebody is victorious, another person is defeated.
इसलिए भगवान की जय देने की तात्पर्य ये होता है,
So giving Jai to God means that Bahiranga Shakti, the external potency Maya, will be defeated.
जीव संसार में माया के द्वारा मोहित होकर के
So the living entities are in this material world wandering in this Maya, and Bhagavan
भगवान की परिकर की कृपा के द्वारा
gives mercy to the devotees.
वह जययुक्त हो।
Bhagavan and his devotees may they be victorious. Means the victory of God and his devotees, Bhakta Bhagavan, and the defeat of Maya. So if you say you be victorious, so when you say somebody is victorious, means somebody else is going to be defeated, isn't it? Something else will be defeated.
होने से नहीं हो सकता.
So there must be like two opposite parties, you know, so that you can say somebody is victorious.
जयति शब्द के द्वारा ही
Jayati
नित्य वर्तमान काल
is expressing this Nitya Vartaman Kal, means the eternal presence. So
हम इस संसार में, जीव इस संसार में
the jiva is in this world,
मोहित होकर के
illustrated by Maya in this material world,
दुख और कष्ट भोग रहे हैं.
and we are suffering this material
इसलिए
world.
भगवान कृपा करके माया के पराजित करके और मुझे सेवा प्रदान करें.
So that this Maya may be defeated and we can get the service of Lord.
माया के कोरिया जाए छड़न न जाए, साधु गुरु कृपा बिना नहीं को उपाय. जीव अपने चेष्टा के द्वारा,
So the jiva, by its own, like his own endeavors, the jiva cannot defeat Maya.
देवी जैसा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्त मामे भी जो प्रवदन्ते माया मेतां तरन्ति. गीता में भगवान का
In the Gita, Bhagavan says,
दैवी माया,
my Devi Maya means the divine potency is so powerful. My potency Maya, because the jivas are so small,
विजय प्राप्त नहीं कर सकते.
like so insignificant,
तो यहाँ पर
that the
एक
jivas
प्रश्न
cannot,
भी उठा देते हैं.
the jivas cannot defeat Maya.
माया क्या है? अचित कहा जाता है.
So Maya is
माया क्या बताया?
achit, means unconscious, like is inert. Haribo? Não vai fazer?
जीव क्या है?
Já.
चित है.
And the jiva is chit
तो यहाँ
consciousness.
पर भी प्रश्न भी उठता है.
So there is a question here.
अचित वस्तु जो है,
So
चित वस्तु के कैसे वो
how something which is unconscious, like achit, like Maya is inert, how can this thing which is not conscious attack something which is conscious or cover something which is conscious?
चेतन.
So one thing is jar, inert, and chetan, consciousness, conscious. So if something which is conscious, like has this consciousness, this is the jiva, like jiva, the soul is consciousness, conscious. Sorry. So how can we know that jiva is conscious being? Uttam, tell me.
चेतन की परिभाषा क्या?
What is the definition of a conscious being?
कैसे समझेंगे?
How can you know someone is something is chetan, like has consciousness?
लक्षण के द्वारा
By three symptoms, you can establish the chetanata, means the consciousness. Feeling, willing, and knowing power. The conscious being they have. Try to understand this. So those who are conscious being, they have three things: feeling, anubhav, knowing. They have knowledge, and kriya. They have the desire. This.
Feeling होता है, हम अनुभव होता है.
So we have anubhav, we have feeling, we feel. Icha means willing, we have the desire, and knowing is gyan.
जड़ में ये तीन वस्तु नहीं है.
So the inert matter doesn't have these three things.
समझ लो.
Understand?
ये चेतन कहने से चेतन वस्तु में तीन होता है: feeling, willing, and knowing.
So the conscious beings, they have these three things always.
पत्थर आदि ये जड़ वस्तु है.
Feeling, willing, knowing. But the stones, for example, inert matter doesn't have this. Like that's why he's always like in the cold, in the hot, like any condition he can stay and it's not feeling. So also doesn't have any desire, inert matter,
ज्ञान power.
And also not knowledge again. So this consciousness only happens if these three things are there.
Feeling,
willing, and knowing. Just like, for example, we feel fear. Sorry, we feel cold. We feel hot. The jiva has these things. Feeling.
Willing, इच्छा शक्ति रहती है.
Willing, we have ichha shakti, the potency, desire potency, like we desire.
Knowing, ज्ञान आदि रहता है.
Willing, and also knowing, we have ज्ञान.
अभी हम उस तरफ में चले, जो माया जीव को कैसे
if we
आच्छादित करके रखा.
So how Maya covers the jiva if Maya is inert and the jiva is conscious? The jiva is conscious.
तो चेतन कैसे माया के द्वारा?
So how can this conscious being, the soul, be covered by something which is unconscious like Maya? How possible?
क्योंकि जड़ और चेतन विपरीत.
Because jar and chetan, inert matter and consciousness, they are completely opposite things. So similar things, they mix to each other, but something which is completely different from each other cannot mix with each other.
समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Do you
सम
understand?
वस्तु में मिश्रण होता है? तरल वस्तु के साथ मिलावटी तरल वस्तु मिल जाएगा, जल और दूध मिलाने मिल जाता है?
Just like
किंतु यदि
the,
पत्थर और पानी को मिलाने से मिलेगा नहीं, पत्थर
for
पानी
example,
अलग रहेगा।
water and milk, they mix because they're similar things. But for example, stone
तो
and
इसी
water,
प्रकार
stone and milk
हम जो
cannot
शब्द में
mix.
जा रहे हैं,
So
थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। ये चेतन और जड़, माया क्या है? जड़।
Maya is
जीवात्मा चेतन है,
inert and the Jiva is conscious being.
किंतु दोनों ही शक्ति के रूप में कहा गया।
But both are
Huh?
potencies. Jara Shakti, material potency, and Chit Shakti or Chetana Shakti, this potency of Lord as well.
तो हम आगे इसको कथा को हम थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाए। ये माया जीव को कैसे आवृत करके कैसे रखा?
So how can the Maya cover the Jiva?
इस संदर्भ में कहा जाता है जीव अणु होने के नाते
So the
माया
Jiva is
जीव
so
को जो है
small,
आच्छादित करता है।
Anu, that the Maya comes and covers
इसी
the
के
Jiva.
संदर्भ में
In
हमारे
this
आचार्य
context,
पाद
our
भी
acharyas
कहते हैं,
explain
जीव वास्तव रूप में अतीव क्षुद्र है।
that the Jiva is actually so small, insignificant.
जीव कैसे है बताओ? बालाग्र शतभाग
What is the size of the Jiva?
भागो जीव सौ अनंतश्च कल्पते। जीव इतने जीवात्मा इतने क्षुद्र है,
So the Jivatma, the soul is so small, like
बालाग्र
you cannot even
शतभाग।
imagine.
बालाग्र माने केस के जी अग्रभाग, केशाग्र
So
शतभाग
the
को
least
होता है।
part, the smallest part of a hair, like a tip of the hair,
केस
if you
के
take this
अग्रभाग
and
इतना छोटा जो होता है,
you see the tip of the hair is
उसके
so
100
small,
टुकड़ा
isn't
करना
it?
पड़ो। उसके 100 टुकड़ा करके फिर
And then you
उसे
take this tip of the hair and cut in 100
एक टुकड़ा
pieces.
जितना होता है उतना ही जो है जीवात्मा की कहानी।
Then you take these 100 parts, 100 of these 100 parts, and you are again cutting 100 parts. Then this will be the size of the soul.
भागो जीव स अनंतश्च कल्पते। जीव अनंत भी है।
So the Jiva is all unlimited Jivas are there, not only one.
इतने क्षुद्र हम जीव हैं।
So the Jivas are so like
और माया को
small,
वशीभूत करके रखा।
infinitesimal and
हम
very
इसी
small, and
संसार में
Maya in this way like is controlling us, and we are wandering in this material world. So that's why in the Gita Bhagavan says, my Devi Maya, it is my divine potency. Maya is my potency, and it's not easy to conquer her, to conquer Maya.
देवी जैसा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्य मामे भी जो प्रबद्धन्ति माया में तरन्ति। एकमात्र मुझे शरण होने पर
Only if you surrender to me,
माया से वो पार कर सकते।
then you can conquer Maya. There's no other way.
तो अभी हम कथा में आ जाए।
Okay, so now we come to the Katha.
चेतन और जड़,
Chetan and
विचार
Jad,
हम कर रहे हैं।
about consciousness
जड़ा
and
शक्ति भी कहा जाए।
inert matter. So
Jiva
Maya is inert, and Jiva is conscious.
चित्कन जीव कृष्ण चिन्मय भास्कर नित्य कृष्ण देखी करे न आदर भक्ति उल्टा के लिखते हैं।
Like Bhaktivinoda Thakur
उसके
wrote.
द्वारा हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं जीव चित्त है, चेतन। तो माया उसके कैसे उसके आवृत करके रखा है?
So how the Maya how can Maya cover the Jiva?
श्रवण करो। माया जीव जो है वास्तव जो हम जो जीव जो कहते जा रहे हैं, जीव में स्वरूप शक्ति की नहीं है, उसमें क्या
So
है?
actually,
जीव शक्ति।
Jiva is not from Swarupa Shakti. The Jiva is from Tatastha Shakti, marginal potency.
स्वरूप शक्ति यदि जीव में रहता,
If the Jiva was from Swarupa Shakti, then Maya could not bind the Jiva, sorry, bind him, no? Bind
ये
him.
भी थोड़ा विचार
So,
करें, जीव गोस्वामी पाद विचार
Jiva
दिखाया,
Goswami
ना?
showed these conceptions.
स्वरूप शक्ति
That Swarupa Shakti,
परिकरों में विराजमान
like these Nitya Parikaras, they are from Swarupa Shakti, eternal associates of Lord.
और जीव में जो है,
But the Jiva is from Tatastha Shakti, marginal potency.
अच्छा तत्व शक्ति के तात्पर्य ही है।
So what is the meaning of Tatastha Shakti? It means the Jiva can go to both sides, one side or the another.
जैसे अनेक श्लोकों के द्वारा
There are many
वर्णन किया
verses
गया,
describing
इस
this.
प्रकार महासमुद्र में
Just
मत्स्य
like in the
जैसे
great ocean, like in the ocean, the fish can go anywhere inside the water, isn't it?
ये सब भी श्लोक दिया गया, देवधर्म में बहुत श्लोक है।
Many slokas, like in Javadharma, quoted these verses.
तो हम कथा में फिर आगे थोड़ा आगे हम करें। ये जीव
The
कैसे
jiva,
माया के
how
द्वारा
the jiva
कैसे
is completely controlled by Maya,
है?
under the control of Maya.
तो इस संदर्भ में कहते
In
हैं
this context, it is said that
ना जिस प्रकार एक उदाहरण के द्वारा दे रहे हैं,
so one
जैसे
example is given.
वो क्या बोले, वो होता है नहीं जो ब्यां ब्यां में करता है, क्या बोले, मेढा है,
No, the frog.
मेढक नहीं, जो ब्यां 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 करता है, वो क्या बोलते हैं, अरे भेड़, भेड़ है ना,
No, not frog. The sheep. You know sheep? That animal.
रम, मेढा है, मेढा, अच्छा चलो समझिए, वो कोई है, वो जब वो सब वो क्या क्या बोलता है, भेड़ा, भेड़िया है, वो क्या एक शब्द जात है, शेर के बच्चा को जो है वो घेर लेते हैं, 8-10 जो मेढा जो है,
So 8 or 10.
अभी शब्द जात माने कारण से मर गया, कैसे लिए
Okay, what happened?
शेर के बच्चे को घेर लेते,
You know, this
और
baby
शेर के
lion
बच्चे तो
was like orphan or something, and then he was surrounded by 8 or 10 sheeps. You know, sheep,
किंतु देखो वही
sheep.
शेर
You
के
know, the
बच्चा
sheep,
जब
this
थोड़ा बड़ा हो
animal.
जाता है,
So he was,
इनकार करते हैं,
this lion was
और साथ ही
small
साथ
lion was
वो
living with the sheep. But when this lion baby grew older, like grew
मेढा
up,
क्या हो जाता है,
grew up, he was like roaring, you know, like a lion, and then all the sheep, they were so afraid and they ran away.
तात्पर्य के जीव,
So the meaning is that
जीव में स्वरूप
The
जो
jiva.
शक्ति जो है,
this potency the
Eh?
jiva has,
वो नित्य की शक्ति को प्राप्त करने पर
when the jiva attains the
चित शक्ति
shakti, like combined with chit
इतना
shakti,
बलवान होता है,
then the jiva becomes so powerful that
तो माया अपने आप
Maya automatically like
दूर हो जाता
goes away
है,
or will be far.
अच्छा, जीव में जो शक्ति जो है वो अपने शक्ति के द्वारा पूर्ण रूप से कर नहीं पाते,
So by her own potency, the jiva can do anything. But when the jiva attains this
वो शक्ति आ जाता है,
potency from God and from his devotees, then the jiva can do something like, then she can be like stand up against Maya or something like that. Stand against Maya, no? Like
अग्नि
this.
है,
So like just like
किंतु वो अग्नि लकड़ी को नहीं जला रहे,
like for example, the fire is also inside the wood, but this fire is not burning the wood. You see all these 5 elements: earth, ether, water, fire, and everything. All these elements are everywhere, also inside the wood. So for example, if you rub 2 pieces of wood together, you see that some flames will come of fire. So it means the wood, inside the wood, the fire was already there.
जला नहीं,
But that fire is not burning the wood.
जब बाहर के जो अग्नि आकर जो लकड़ी में संयोजित हो जाता है तब वो जल जाता है, ठीक उसी प्रकार जीव में जो शक्ति जो है
So in the
वो
same way,
अत्यंत जो है क्षुद्र है, पोटेंसी तो है,
the jiva has the potency, but it's very small, very small.
चीन समय तो माने अति जो है क्षुद्र होता है,
Very small, insignificant.
फिर उसके भी फिर
Like
दोबारा
very infinitesimal, very small.
वस्तु के प्राकृतिक उदाहरण सब जगह समान ही है,
But actually, these material examples, they cannot be
इस प्रकार
applied in all the situations, like in all the aspects.
कण जो है
So, for example,
वो जला नहीं पा रहे,
the flame of the fire, not flame of the fire, the spark of the fire. For example, you see somebody who is cutting iron. You know, they're cutting the iron, and then have you seen somebody cut iron? Like it comes some flames of fire, you know, not flames, like sparks of fire, that sparks of fire, but that doesn't burn anything. But even if that small spark of the fire which comes when somebody cuts some iron piece, if that spark of the fire comes in some like a inflammable fuel, like a petrol or oil or something like that, even that small bit of spark can make a big fire, like can start a big fire, understand? Can start a fire.
ठीक उसी
So
प्रकार
in the same
जीव
way,
में जो वस्तु है
the Jiva
सच्चिदानंद है,
is Satchidananda.
आनंद है, किंतु क्षुद्र होने के नाते
But
माया के द्वारा वशीभूत रहता है।
the Jiva is so insignificant, like so small, very small, infinitesimal. So it is like controlled by Maya. But when the Jiva gets the mercy of Lord and his devotees,
तब वो
then the Jiva
माया के पराजित करके
defeats Maya and can
नित्य
like
सिद्ध कृष्ण
go ahead.
शब्द को बुनाए श्रवणादि शुद्ध चित्ते कर उदार पोटेंशियल के रूप में तो सब जीव में है ही।
So all the Jivas, they have this in the form of the potency.
बाहर से कहीं से लेना नहीं पड़ता।
You don't need to take anything from outside. Like
कृष्ण प्रेम शब्द को
actually,
बुनाए श्रवणादि शुद्ध चित्ते कर उदार है तुम्हारे पास।
it's already with you. You have it. You just need to manifest it. How?
श्रवणादि
Listening Bhagavad Gita.
पोटेंशियल के रूप में जीव में है ही।
So the Jiva has in potency everything.
क्योंकि जीव गठन के समय ही
Because when the Jiva manifested at that
वो
moment,
समस्त दिया गया।
everything's already given to the Jiva. All this potency is given to the Jiva.
ऐसा
Understand?
यह कि रस विचार में भी है।
Even in the Rasa Vichar, also we analyze
एक स्थायी भाव उसमें है।
Dasa Sakavatsala Madhurya.
जिस प्रकार उदाहरण दिया जाता है
So the Jiva has already
एक
stay
सरसों
bhava,
के
fixed
बीज
modes.
जैसे।
The example is like, for example, some
हैं?
mustard seed.
बीज में हम यदि उसके तोड़े कुछ दिखाई नहीं पड़ेगा, किंतु उसमें सारे
So even if you open the seed in half,
पत्ता है,
like in the middle, you
जड़
cannot
है,
see anything
सब
inside the seed, but actually in the seed already
किंतु
everything
वह
is there,
बीज यदि
like the leaves,
मिट्टी
the
पर हम
roots, like all the plant that can be in the
पानी
future. But if you
और
put the
धीरे-धीरे
seed in
वो
the
बीज
earth, like in the
ऊधा
soil,
होकर
right? Sorry, in the soil.
बड़ा रूप धारण करके
If you
फिर
plant the
बड़ा
seed
हो
in the
जाएगा।
ground, in the soil, then the seed will
ठीक उसी प्रकार
grow,
जीव गठन के
and
समय
it will be a
जीव
big
में
plant and everything.
वो पोटेंशियल
So,
के रूप में है।
when the Jiva manifests from Tatastha Shakti, already the Jiva has
संग के
the
द्वारा नहीं होता।
potency
तो
forever,
कुछ लोग
like
कहते हैं
the same potency.
कि संग के
Some
द्वारा
people say that through the association,
संग के द्वारा नहीं होता है, वो पोटेंशियल जो है वही
you get that mood, like that potency and everything. But no, actually,
ये कहा
the potency you already have, this will manifest. Doesn't depend on the association you have.
श्रवणादि शुद्ध चित्ते कर उदार यदि संग के द्वारा होते
If it would be according to your
ये क्या कहा
association,
जाता है?
then
ध्रुव महाराज,
what about
किसके
Dhruva
संग?
Maharaj? Dhruva Maharaj
नारद
associated with Narada Rishi.
प्रहलाद महाराज किससे संग?
Prahlada Maharaj associated
नारद
with also Narada
पांडवादि
Rishi.
लोग
The Pandavas
नारद
also associated with Narada
हैं?
Rishi.
किंतु ये यदि संग तो एक ही संग है, किंतु देखो
So they all associated
अलग-अलग
with Narada Rishi,
भाव
but
प्रकाशित हो रहे हैं।
different bhavas are manifested. Like they manifested different bhavas.
उद्धव
Like for
नाक रगड़
example,
करके चले गए,
Uddhava, he rubbed
किस लिए?
his nose,
ब्रज
like
गोपियों की
he wanted so much, right, to attain
प्राप्ति
the mood of the Brajagopis. Like he
आज
was
तक भी उद्धव
like
राधा कुंड के पास समीप
requesting so much, and
है,
even nowadays, until nowadays, Uddhava is there
कुसुम
near
सरोवर,
Radhakunda
और कुसुम
at Kusum
सरोवर के
Sarovar,
उस तरफ
and
घास होकर के तपस्या भी कर रहे
he's doing austerities
ब्रज गोपी को भाव प्राप्ति करने
to get the bhava of the Brajagopis, but still is not possible.
पांडव लोग भी राधा कुंड में रह करके वृक्ष
Even
के
the
रूप में
Pandavas are also
तपस्या आदि की,
in the form of a tree, making so many austerities, but also they couldn't get this mood. You've heard this story.
इसलिए जीव गठन के समय जो पोटेंशियल
So when the Jiva manifested, the Jiva already has some potency, and only that potency will manifest in the future.
परिवेश
With the appropriate
पर प्रकाशित होता
environment, or like the favorable environment, this seed will manifest. This potency of the Jiva will
है।
manifest.
यमुना के तट पर
So
लगा
imagine
दिया
this
जाए,
situation. You sow, right,
मिट्टी
5
है,
different seeds
वायु है,
in the banks of the Jamuna. So the water is same, the wind is same, the sun is same. But according to the seed you planted, that plant will come according to the seed which you sowed.
आम के बीज लगाया,
So for example, if you sowed some mango seed, do you think it will become a Karela plant? No,
ये
it will
हमारे
be
जीव
a
गोस्वामी पाद
mango
इसको
plant.
विचार करके दिखाया।
So Jiva Goswami explains all this.
क्योंकि कुछ लोग कहते हैं जैसे संग
Some
ऐसे
people
रहो,
say, Jaise Sang, Aise Rang, like according to your
ऐसे नहीं।
association, you get that, you have that
मंत्र गुरु
potency
से
or that mood,
दो
that
शिष्य-
bhav, that
दो
rasa.
शिष्य गुरु से मंत्र लिया
So 2 disciples took
है,
mantra from the same
विजय
guru,
कुमार और
Vijay Kumar and Brajanath.
किंतु देखो एक सखर रस में माधुर्य रस में श्रृंगार रस
So one was in Shringaras and another in Madhurya Ras. Oh, sorry,
Vijay Kumar
one
चले
in
गए,
Sakya Ras and another Madhurya Ras. So Vijay Kumara, Shringar Ras, and
Guru
Brajanath
एक ही है, मंत्र
Sakya
एक ही
Ras.
है,
So the Guru is
किंतु
one, they have the same Guru,
अलग अलग भाव वो कैसे होता
but they
है,
have different bhavs.
इसलिए अनेक उदाहरण दिए जा रहे हैं।
So many
तो
examples are
हम
given. Okay,
आगे
anyway.
करते हैं। मेरे इसलिए कहते हैं जयति शब्द के द्वारा
So I want to speak
क्या
about
वर्णन
this
करते जा रहे हैं?
Jayati. Jayati
ये
explains
जययुक्त
what
हो,
in this verse?
आपके जययुक्त हो,
May you be victorious.
अर्थात हम ये कहते
Victory,
हैं
victorious. Like,
कि हम संसार में माया
so
में
we are wandering this
फंसे हुए
world,
हैं।
like bound
हे
by
भगवान,
Maya. Hey Bhagavan,
आप माया के पराजित करके
you
आप जययुक्त हो और
defeat
मुझे
Maya
अपने चरण कमल में
and may you be victorious and please give me service to your lotus feet.
है। क्योंकि मैं जीव को मैं माया को मैं जय कर नहीं पाई,
Because I cannot win
Maya
Maya, like I
Jaya
cannot
Charan
win
Jaya.
over Maya, I cannot
साधु गुरु कृपा
defeat
बिना
Maya
नहीं
by
कर
my
पाए।
own.
जीव अपने इच्छा के द्वारा
The
माया
jiva
की जय
by
नहीं कर सकता।
his own endeavors or
साधु गुरु की
desires
कृपा
cannot defeat Maya. He
तो
must
यदि
have
वो
the
कृपा ही हो जाए,
mercy of
साधन नहीं करेंगे,
Vaishnavas,
बोले,
like devotees and Lord.
साधन
So it's
करना
only
पड़ेगा
mercy. I don't
और
need to do the sadhan. No, no,
कृपा
no.
प्राप्त
You must do the
तब
sadhan,
आप
and then you get the mercy.
आगे बढ़ सकते
Then you can progress.
हैं। साधन और
So
जैसे बात
sadhana,
गोपाल को बांधने के समय
like just
हर
Mother
समय जो
Jashoda,
दो
for
उंगली
example, when she was going to
रस्सी
bind
छोटी
Gopal,
ज्यादा नहीं, तीन
Krishna,
उंगली नहीं, चार उंगली
but the
नहीं, एक
rope
उंगली
was
नहीं।
always
कितना
two fingers short, not one
इसके
finger,
द्वारा
not
ही
5, 3, 4, only
शिक्षा
two.
देते हैं।
So this is the teaching to
ये
us
साधन और
that
भगवत कृपा,
so sadhana and Bhagavad Kripa.
इसलिए कहते हैं जयति
You
शब्द के
do
द्वारा
the sadhana and you get the
जययुक्त
mercy.
हो है? यहाँ देखो। के द्वारा यही कहा जा रहा है। हम हर रोज जय देते हैं,
So every day
जय
give
दिले
Jai.
जय हवे, जय दाव गुरुदेव
So we say Jai Dal, Gurudevar Jai
जय
Dal.
दिले जय हवे, तुम दूसरे के जय दो तो तुम्हारी जय।
So if you give Jai to others, then you'll be Jai. Like if you give the victory to them, like give Jai, give Jai, give Jai, give Jai to Gurudev.
बलदेव जय
Give Jai to Baladev, because if you give Jai to them,
Jai
then
हम लोग हर रोज जय देते
you'll be victorious. You yourself will be victorious in this case. That's why you give Jai every day. Hey Krishna,
हम माया में फंसे हुए हैं,
I am bound in Maya,
माया के
Krishna.
जय
Please
पराजित करके
defeat
आप
Maya,
जययुक्त हो।
and may you be victorious. Like
माया के
And-
चंगुल से
and please deliver me
निकाल
from this
करके अपने चरण कमल की
chuckles, no,
सेवा
from these clutches of Maya, and give me the
इसमें तो
service
जय
to your
दिले।
lotus feet. That's why we are saying Jai Jai all the time.
यद्यपि फिर जयति शब्द के द्वारा हम लोग भी ये भी कहा गया
So about Jayati word in this
मंगलवाचक
verse, also it's a word of
कोई
auspiciousness.
कार्य आदि करें,
This is also
उसके
another
लिए
point.
मंगलवाचक
Like when we do something, you start with this Mangala, like auspicious words, isn't it?
मंगलवाचक ध्वनि
So
वेद
Jaya
शास्त्र
is
उपनिषद में कहा गया
the Veda Shastra Upanishad explains like
मंगलवाचक ध्वनि आदि के
these
द्वारा ही
auspicious words and sounds.
हम कार्य के आगे
We
बढ़ाते
start whatever we do, and in this way we can progress.
हैं। इसलिए जयति शब्द के द्वारा नित्य ही
So
जय
Jayati means may he be eternally
जयति जननी
victorious, like forever and ever.
जन निवास के द्वारा जनेषु गोप जद्वादि मध्येषु एवं निवासो जस्स स यथा जनानां जीवानां जो निवास आश्रय जीवेषु वा निवसति अंतर्जामितम तथा स। इसी प्रकार वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं निवास। जीवात्मा और परमात्मा एक ही स्थान में रहते हैं,
So the Jivatma, the Jiva and the Paramatma super, so they are together in the same place.
किंतु हमारे पास अभी कैसे अभिज्ञात,
But now Lord is
Abhigyata
Abhyata, is like we don't know him.
इसको हम जानते नहीं। श्रीमद् भागवत में पुरंजन पुरंजन उपाख्यान
In the Bhagavatam, the story of Puranjan and Puranjani explains
भगवान जीव के हृदय में जो परमात्मा जो अभिज्ञात रूप में वही हमारे सब समय मित्र है।
like actually he's
जहाँ पर मैं चलता
he's
हूँ,
always our friends. Like because wherever we go, he goes with us, isn't it? God, he always goes with us everywhere. So he's our friend. He is our really friend, but we don't know him now. So friend is that person who is always with us, isn't it?
सुख में दुख में
In our happiness, in our distress, like whatever we're feeling or whatever situation we are, he is always with us. This is a friend. So Lord is always with us. So he's actually a friend.
थोड़ा प्रश्न करता हूँ।
So you maybe you have some question.
विवाह के समय स्त्री
In the time of wedding ceremony,
अपने पति के कहते हैं कि सब समय आपको मैं साथ दूंगा।
So the wife tells the husband, I'll always be with you in the happiness, in the distress, in the any situation. I'll be with you by your side.
लगाना यही तो कर सब बोले थोड़ा से हमें कोई कान पे कान लगा दी मैंने सहायता कर
Like shoulder to shoulder, like we'll be always together, like one supporting each other in any situation in life. But there is one situation that the wife is not with the husband.
कौन से समय?
In which time?
थोड़ा बुद्धि होना चाहिए ना.
You need some intelligence. Try to think about it. Uttam.
कौन से समय?
In which situation? Because when the wedding takes place, there are some mantras. There are many mantras in the wedding ceremony.
उसमें वो
But there is some, the wife
पति के निकट ये भी कहते
tells the husband this,
हमारे सदा सर्वदा मैं
I will be always with you.
किंतु ऐसे एक समय हो जाता
But there is one situation in which
साथ नहीं देगा
the wife cannot be with him, cannot be like supporting him, like shoulder to shoulder like this. When the husband dies,
पत्नी जो है वो कंध में नहीं लेते बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी
then the wife cannot support him in this moment.
है कि नहीं?
Isn't it?
साथ नहीं देता और जगह में सब सब
But in other situations, yes, happiness, distress, always with him.
तो हमें कहने की तात्पर्य है
What I
भगवान
want to say is that Bhagavan,
परमात्मा के रूप में जीव के सदा सर्वदा
in the form of Paramatma, Bhagavan is always with the soul.
किंतु जीव उसको देख नहीं पाते.
But the jiva doesn't see.
वो हमारे पास कैसे हैं भगवान?
So now God, for He's abhigyata to us.
परम मित्र है.
Like He's unknown, but actually He's so dear. He is our dearest friends. In the Bhagavatam explains.
वो हमारे साथ में ही है.
He's always with us.
किंतु हम देख नहीं पाते.
But we can't see Him.
और वही हमारे परम मित्र है.
And He's also our best friends.
मित्र कौन होता है?
I'm saying, I'm telling this. Who is a friend?
जो हमारे सुख और दुख
That person who is always with us when we have happy times, distressed times, like painful times.
तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे राम तेरा.
So that's why I say like this. You are not alone. Ram is always with you.
सीताराम 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 कहिए जय विधि राखी राम ताही विधि से विधि के विधान जान हानि लाभ सही जिंदगी के डोर से हाथ बिना नाच के तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे राम तेरा. यह राम भगवान परमात्मा
Ram Bhagavan
सर्वदा है.
in the form of Paramatma is always with us.
साक्षी अयंगी साक्षी रूप भगवान कहते हैं मैं परमात्मा के रूप में जीवात्मा के साथ जो मैं रहता हूँ वो कैसे रहता हूँ? साक्षी स्वरूप.
So
देखता रहता हूँ.
I'm always watching everything.
भगवान हमारे साथ में रहता है सब सदा सर्वदा.
So Bhagavan is always with us.
अच्छी काम करे गलत काम करे
If you do bad things or good things, whatever you do, God is witness to everything we do.
साक्षी रूप में रहता है. विटनेस इसी का जाता है. भगवान वो रहता है. परमार्थी जगत में इसी के ऊपर ही हमारी भक्ति आगे चलते हैं हम लोग.
So
तुम झूठ बोलो किसी के पैसा हड़प लो
if you
कुछ भी
tell
करो
some lie, if you steal someone's money, whatever you do,
वो साक्षी कौन रहता है?
who is the witness to this?
वही राम माने वही.
This Ram means Lord Krishna Bhagavan.
इस संदर्भ में एक कथा सुनाता हूँ.
So I want to tell you one story about this context.
बहुत दरिद्र था वो.
There was a boatman. He was so poor.
उनके एक बेटी.
He had one daughter.
शादी के समय.
And then
कुछ पैसा चाहिए.
So he needed some money to marry his daughter for the wedding of his daughter. So this boatman went to one rich man asking some loan. Please give me 3,000 rupees so that I can help pay the wedding of my daughter, wedding ceremony, and I will slowly pay you back. And then this rich man told, okay, do one thing.
घर में रहते हो भाई हम दे दो आज तो तुम करो आगे नहीं दो तो कैसे होगा.
So what if you don't give my money back or something? So
जो है जगह जो है ये मुझे क्या करो
give me some
बंधक रूप में दे दो. बंधक समझते हो?
Like some like mortgage, like put your land in mortgage to me.
डीड मुझे दे.
So give me some deeds, then I give you the money, then you can
केवल बोले ठीक है.
mortgage your house for that.
केवल थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा इकट्ठा किया.
So the boatman took the money from the rich man, from the Sethji, rich man, and but slowly the boatman he like saved the money, and he after 2-3 years he gave back the money to the rich man. So he paid back paid back
लिखिए कि
his debt.
क्या लिखे?
So in this moment,
सेठ जी ने लिख दिया कागज में, स्लिप में,
the rich man, the
3,000
Sergi, he
rupiah
wrote like a
back.
receipt, and receipts, you know,
a
saying,
receipt.
"Oh, I received the 3,000 rupees
Eh?
back
Signed
from the
करके
boatman." So he signed and gave to the boatman.
सेठ जी ने कहा
So the
केवल
Sergi, the rich
ये
man, told,
तुम्हारी डीड ले जाओ
"Take this
और ये
deed, like this
receipt
receipt."
वापिस दे दिया। केवल तो मूर्ख था,
But the boatman was very
विद्वान
stupid, like in the sense of he had no, he was not he hadn't
क्या
any
लिखा है?
instruction, or he didn't
सेठ जी ने
study
पूछा,
in his life. So
बोले मैं क्या जानू, राम जाने।
what is written?
क्या जाने? राम जी जाने, राम जी लाल को कहते थे।
But
केवट जो है
so
नाम
the
चलाता
boatman
था, सर भगवान राम
said,
के
"Oh,
प्रति
I don't know,
इतने
only
विश्वास
I just know that Ram knows."
हर कथा में
So
यही
he had so
शब्द
much
व्यवहार
faith
करते
in
थे। क्या
Lord.
बोले?
Everything he
Ram
used to
Jal.
say, Ramja,
राम जी लाल।
Ramjilal, like only the Ram knows. Like
Same thing
whatever
they
question,
do.
Ram knows, Ram knows.
मैं इसे फायदा क्यों
God
उठा लूं?
knows. So in this case, in this situation, the
फिर
rich
सेठ ने
man
उनको कहा,
saw
अच्छा
that
दो,
boatman
वो
was
कागज
very
दे दो।
simple, and was thinking, "Oh, maybe I should take some
कागज
advantage
वापस
of this situation." So
और
the
कागज
rich man
वापस
asked
लेकर के
for the
ऐसे
paper
कागज
back,
के
for the
टुकड़ा
receipt
ऐसे
back,
ऐसे करके सन कर फिर
and then he gave
दूसरी
another
कागज को
paper
दे
to
दिया।
him just with like some
केवट तो मैंने कहा,
something,
केवट तो लिखा
like
पढ़ा
some
नहीं है,
scribble
क्या
or
लिखा है,
something, like
इसमें
just
क्या
something.
है?
Nothing was written properly, just anything
इतना ही
written
वो जानते हैं,
in the
जो कुछ
paper.
जाने कौन जाने, राम जी लाल।
And he only said, "Oh, who
केवट
knows
घर में आ
Ram?"
गए। तो सेठ जी विचार करने लगे, देखो दुष्ट व्यक्ति कभी, सद व्यक्ति भी कभी कभी जो है उसकी बुद्धि
So
खराब हो
even
जाता है।
some people who are good, sometimes their
Eh?
mind becomes like.
हमें एक कथा सुनाया था,
They
एक
have-
सज्जन व्यक्ति कथा सुनाया।
So I'll tell you
अरे
some
घर में
story.
क्यों ताला लगाते हो?
Why do you lock your house?
आप घर में ताला लगाया?
Why do you lock your
यहाँ पे
house?
पैसा है। ताला किस लिए लगाया?
Why do you lock your house?
सज्जन के लिए कि दुर्जन के लिए? अब बताओ।
For the good people, for the bad people?
सज्जन के लिए, दुर्जन के लिए नहीं। दुर्जन को
For the good people, not for bad people.
किसी प्रकार से तोड़
Because the bad people, they will want to rob your house. They'll just like break into your house and they'll just open by force and come in your house. But the good people, sometimes their mind also becomes bad. Like sometimes their mind becomes like some bad tendency in their minds.
हम घर में जो ताला लगाया करता
Like
है,
so that's why you lock your
ये
house. You
क्या
know,
दुर्जन व्यक्ति के लिए नहीं है, दुर्जन
not for
व्यक्ति
the bad
चाहे तो
people.
किसी प्रकार
Because
से
the bad
चाहे
people, they by force they'll just break into your house and take it whatever they want.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल। अच्छा बात सत्य है कि नहीं?
So this is true or
वो
not?
डकैत जो है वो आपको कौन कह सकता है? ताला इसलिए लगा थोड़ा हमारे मन की शांति देने।
So also if you
वो चल तो
if you lock your house, your mind will be peaceful also.
Eh?
But if some person really wants to break into your house, they will break into your house.
अरे नहीं, हमारी चेष्टा है।
So you have to endeavor also, and then everything happens according to Lord's desire. Like if the Lord wants to kill you, nobody can save you. And if God wants to save you, nobody can protect you to kill you. Sorry. So sometimes the mind even of good
और
people
भजन करने वाले भी दिखा गया है,
spoils, like
ऊपर के लिए।
become bad by
अच्छा,
some
चलो, आगे की
reason.
कथा हम सुनाते हैं। राम जी लाल, जो कुछ जानते हैं राम जी
Okay,
लाल।
so who knows everything? Ramji Lal. Like Ram knows everything.
2-3 महीने के बाद कोर्ट से पेपर नोटिस आ गया, ये
So after some time,
आपको
it arrived some
3,000
letter.
रुपया कोर्ट में। क्योंकि ये सेठ जी ने किया कि कोर्ट में उनके ऊपर मामला दायर कर दिया।
Came
क्या
some
मामला
letter
दायर
from
किया?
the court case.
ये हमें अभी तक पैसा नहीं दिया, समय के अनुसार।
What court case? The rich man was saying that the boatman hadn't given his money back. That's why.
ये 3,000 रुपया नहीं दिया। केवट तो दे दिया था। आप थे कथा के ध्यान से नहीं सुनी।
You didn't hear
केवट ने
the
पैसे दे
story
दिया, सेठ जी ने
by
उससे
with
पहले दे दिया फिर। उनको
attention.
कागज भी वापस
Okay,
कर
in the
दिया
beginning
और
when the
लिख दिया
boatman
कि
gave
मुझे
the money,
3,000 रुपया।
the rich man gave some receipts. Okay, I got the 3,000 money back.
थोड़े आप थोड़ा दूसरी कोई चिंतन कर रहे हैं।
You are thinking about another thing. You're not paying attention.
जो जब उन्होंने कहा, सेठ जी ने जो कहा, हमने क्या लिखा?
So, but then the rich man asked to the boatman, "What did I write in this paper?" But the boatman told, "Oh, Ram knows. Lord Ram knows what is written." So in this way, the boatman thought, oh, he's a foolish man. Because if the village, like the boatman had said, oh, you said in this paper that you got your 3,000 rupees back. So, but no, the boatman thought that only Lord knows what is written. So the rich man thought about taking some advantage in that situation, and he asked for the money, for the paper back, and then he gave another paper written nothing, like something scribbled on, like just some scribbled paper, like nothing, like nothing was properly written in that paper, just some scribble or something. So he just said, but the boatman was so simple, he thought only Ram knows what is written here. But the rich man came with a law court, like some court case, some law court case, lawsuit. He was suing the boatman, saying that he hadn't paid his money back. And he wanted the land, like, because, remember the land was in the mortgage, the boatman land. So this paper came, like some letter came to the boatman, so that he must go to the court because of this and everything. But the boatman didn't know. No, actually what happened was that, so he went to the court, the boatman, and the judge asked, did you take 3,000 rupees from him? Yes. Did you give back? Yes, I gave the money back. The boatman told the honest, like what happened really, the truth. But the rich man told, he didn't give me this 3,000 back. Okay. So the judge asked to the judge asked to the boatman, did he give you any receipts? Oh yes, he gave. Oh yes, where is it? Show me. So he showed, and it was like, the judge realized it was like some, it was not a proper document, it was not like evidence of anything, but so the boatman was crying, saying, really, it's true, I gave the 3,000 money back to him. And he gave me this paper, but I don't know what's written, only Ram knows. So the judge asked, okay, when you gave him the money, this 3,000 back, you gave him back, was there any third person present, like some witness? So we say that Lord is always with us as like a witness, isn't he? So the shloka is there. Some shloka of Bhagavatam, of the Puranas. Uttam, do you know this shloka? That Lord is saying that He is the witness. So whatever we do, Krishna is the witness, Lord is the witness of whatever we do. So the judge asked, to whom? So the boatman. Okay, so you gave the 3,000 rupees to him back, right? The money back. So was there a third person present, like someone else was there? Then the boatman told, what he told? Ramji knows, like God knows. Then the judge thought, Ramji Lal must be the name of someone, because like he was saying, Ramji Lal knows, like God knows. So the judge was thinking that Ramji Lal was an actual person who was actual witness of that situation. So the witness must be called for testimony in the judge, right? In the court, right? Okay, so let's call this Ramji Lal for witnessing. So the judge sent some, like some, like some, I don't know English name for that officer that goes calling the persons that are being called to witness. So this person came to the village and said, is there anyone here called Ramji Lal? And then the people of the village said, no one here called Ramji Lal, no one. So that man from the court was going in the village and searching, and the people from the villages are so simple and they don't understand actually what is going on. So, Ramji Lal, okay, this temple here from Ramji. So this man from the court was thinking, maybe the pujari of this temple is called Ramji Lal. Now,
कागज यहीं पर दे जाना।
I must give this paper to, like, I must just deliver this paper. Until when I'll be like searching and searching again and again.
पुजारी मंदिर के
How long more I'll be just searching for this
तुम्हारे
person?
नाम से एक कागज है,
So he came and said,
पुजारी भी ऐसी लिखा पढ़ा नहीं था।
he said, oh, look, this paper's to you. And then, sorry, this paper's for you. So
ठाकुर जी के चरण में रख दिया, ऊपर पता क्या।
so the pujari just also didn't know how to read, just put that paper at the feet of the Thakurji.
लोग जैसे मंदिर
So in the evening time, some people, like learned people, they came to the temple to do pranam, like some, people who
दे गए
they are learned, they can read and everything.
राम जी लाल,
So they saw the paper and the letter, right?
राम जी लाल क्या तुम्हारे नाम राम जी लाल है?
Is your name Ramji Lal? The pujari said no.
तुम साइन क्यों किया?
So why did you sign this paper? Oh, I don't know. He told to give to Ramji Lal. He gave to him.
गांव के लोग सरल होता है।
Because the people of the village, they are so simple. They don't even know about like courts, all these things,
ना वो
and
पॉलिटिक्स में कुछ जानते हैं। सरल होता है भैया।
they're simple people, no, from village and like.
अच्छा, बोले ये तो तुमको जाना पड़े। बोले हमें क्या राम जी लाल
But-
पे राम जी लाल जाए?
The Ramji
हम थोड़ी
Lal?
राम जी लाल।
I'm not the Ramji Lal. The Ramji knows.
सामान तो आता है, इसको सामान कहा जाता है। सामान जारी होता है ना, सामान सामान जारी, एक सामान जारी सामान आता है, ठाकुर जी के पास सामान आता है।
So it came
एक ही साउंड हो गया ना।
So this like. So what came? It came a letter inviting the Thakurji to witness, isn't it? So the Pujari was saying, Thakurji, you must go there tomorrow for witnessing. Thakurji didn't say anything to Pujari.
इधर दूसरे दिन
And then in the second day, next day,
कोर्ट में जब केवट आकर के पहुंचे, केवट
So
आकर
the-
जज साहब पूछाने लगे,
next day there was the court again,
तुम्हारा राम जी लाल
a
कहाँ है?
court session. And then the judge asked, what is your
केवट वही कथा बोलने लगा, आते होंगे।
Ramji Lal? And then both men said, oh, he's coming.
आ रहे।
He's coming.
ये केवट के इतने विश्वास,
Because
हम
both
सब
men had so much faith. Like the faith was, God knows
विश्वास कैसे?
how much faith, like simple faith he had in Lord. He's coming.
जज साहब दो एक बार
So the judge asked
बुलाया,
one or two times more, like,
राम जी लाल कौन है?
who is Ramji Lal? Present yourself. Who is Ramji Lal? Come here, show up, and give a witness, like a witness to this case.
सेशन समाप्त हो गया ना।
So after the session,
इतने समय जज साहब के मन में आ गया,
So-
चलो लास्ट में एक बार पूछ लेता हूँ।
sorry, the session was about to finish. So the judge thought, one more
राम जी लाल
time,
कौन है?
last time I'll search for this Ramji Lal. So he screamed, like he yelled, who is Ramji Lal?
वृद्ध,
Then came what happened? Came an old man came,
ऐसे सिर पर
like a hunchback, like he was very old, like maybe 90 or 80 years old, and he had some
और
gamcha
हाथ उठा के कहने लगे, जज साहब,
bound on his head,
मैं हूँ।
and he raised his arm and said, hey judge, sir judge, like your honor, I am the Ramji Lal. Sorry, Ramji
केवट
Lal.
जब पैसा दिया था,
Sorry.
तो आप पूछ
So the judge asked to him, were you there when both men gave the money to the rich man? Then he said, this Ramji said, oh yes. This old man said, yes, I was there. So the judge, the rich man, the Sergi gave some receipts to the both men.
स्लिप कहाँ है?
Yes.
मुझे जो 5
So where is the
रुपया
receipts?
प्राप्ति
The
हुई,
judge
वो
asked.
कहाँ है?
Where is the receipt, the real receipt,
भगवान की ऐसी इच्छा है,
the original
वो
receipts?
सेठ
So by Bhagavan's desire, what happened? The original receipts that the rich man had given in the first place, and then he had ordered back. Remember, as for it back. Actually, the rich man forgot to tear into pieces that receipt. He forgot to tear it apart. So actually, he just kept in some folder somewhere in his
ये चले जाएंगे,
cupboard or some drawer or something.
फाड़ दूंगा।
He thought, oh,
भगवान की चक्कर तो कम।
later I'll tear it apart, but because God's desire, he forgot to tear it apart later. So
राम जी लाल जो आए ना गांव के, जो बहुत वृद्ध, कहले साहब इसको जो वो जो है इसको दिया नहीं हो, वो तो दिया था फिर ले लिया।
So then the old man said no. So he asked that back the original receipt. Then he gave a fake receipt, and the original receipt is in the like this folder of such like a drawer of the dressing of the dresser of that man in his house.
अलमारी और उसके डायरी की खोजा, देखो साक्षात रूप में।
So when the police went there, like the judge went, and they really found the original receipts.
तब जज साहब ने किया कि वो विटनेस हो गया
So the judge,
है, तो जज साहब ने किया कि वो इनको तो मुक्त कर दिया
so the judge,
और सेठ जी को जेल में भेज दिया।
he gave the sentence that the boatman would be free and the rich man would be arrested.
जज साहब तो क्या, जज साहब घर में गए,
So the judge went to his house.
जज साहब घर में जाकर जब रात में
So
सोने लगे,
when the judge went to sleep
तो
that
वही
night,
ज्योतिष आने लगे,
he had some dream.
है, रामजी लाल कौन है?
Who is Ramji Lal?
साहब मैं हूँ।
That voice was coming again. That man was coming in his dream. That old man. I am Ramji Lal.
वही वृद्ध साक्षात रूप में रामचंद्र के रूप में दर्शन दिए।
Then in the dream, this old man was becoming Lord Ram, like
उनको
God.
साक्षात रामचंद्र के रूप में दर्शन दिया कि मैं ही है, आपके जो है पास वो साक्षी रूप में आया।
So I came as in disguise to you.
जज साहब के जब नींद टूटा, जज
So when the judge woke up from his dream,
पर ब्रह्म भगवान,
he was thinking, "Oh my, God Himself, the supreme controller of all the universes."
और मैंने भगवान को क्या किया
And
है, काठगड़े में खड़ा कर
I
दिया।
made this Lord sit like down in an inferior position to testify, to give to testify for some court case, and I was sitting up as like the judge, sitting on a higher level.
उठने साक्षी के रूप में आया।
So Lord came Himself to testify and
उस समय वो जज ने किया कि उसी समय बस
to bear witness. So
सब कुछ छोड़ करके वृंदावन में चले गए।
So that judge, he renounced his job, his post, and
एक विशाल मंदिर में
he came to Vrindavan, and with all the money he got, he made a big temple. It is called the temple of the Judge Sahib, of the judge in Vrindavan.
किंतु कभी मंदिर में भगवान राम
But he never entered in the temple.
दूर से प्रणाम करके चले जाते।
Actually, he only did pranam by far
इतने उनकी
because he was feeling so much repentation, like
पर ब्रह्म भगवान
God Himself, Lord, the Supreme Lord Ram,
भक्त की विटनेस देने के
to
लिए
testify, to bear witness for his devotee.
और मेरे
He
पास
came
आए और काट
to
दिया।
me and sat like I put him to sit in a lower position, and I was sitting in a higher position. I'm so ashamed of my deed, what I did.
उपवास
So
दिन रात भजन करते, राम नाम जप करते।
so he was chanting holy names of
और
Lord
मंदिर का
Ram
परिसर
day and
हमारा
night.
बनाया, ऐसे लोग कहते हैं।
So
और कभी
and he
ठाकुर
never
जी के सामने नहीं आते।
came in front of Thakurji because he was feeling so ashamed.
आ जाता था। कौन सा? रामजी लाल कौन
And
है?
he would only remember that image. Ramji Lal, who is Ramji Lal? And that old man, which was Ram actually in disguise, coming to testify, to bear witness. And he was like standing in that place, for the witness, like where the witness, they testify, bear witness.
भगवान उसके साथ है। सत्यमेव जय।
So if you go in the right path, in the path of righteousness, Lord will help you. The truth will always be victorious.
जो छल कपट कुछ भी कर ले,
So
किंतु एक दिन ना एक दिन
if you lie or do something by hypocrisy or cheating, one day you'll be caught. You can cheat anyone, but you cannot cheat to God. You cannot cheat God.
विश्वास रखे
So this faith,
हैं? आज समझ में नहीं।
understand?
जीवन में साधन भजन तो हमारे उसी प्रकार है।
So our sadhana and bhajan in our life is also like this.
सत्य पथ में चले।
We have like steadiness. We should be in the path of righteousness, and Lord is witness to that.
मैं साक्षी रूप में
Lord says, I'm the witness in the hearts of all the living entities.
पर मैं प्रकाश कर दूं।
When time comes, I manifest.
कपट कब तक रहेगा तुम्हारा?
Until when you'll just, for how long you'll continue just with this duplicity and hypocrisy?
कुछ समय तक चलेगा तो।
And for some time you can continue with this hypocrisy and cheating things.
सब तो जीत ले, तो भोग तो किया है। 13 साल की 14 साल तो भोग तो कर लिया।
So for 13 years,
बोले नहीं, उसकी अंतिम नतीजा क्या? वही तो देखो।
like you can say, oh, Durjan Dushasana, they were successful for some time, they enjoyed for 13 years when the Pandavas were in the exile, but in the end, they were destroyed. So Bhagavatam is saying,
ऐसे पापी की जो पौधा जल्दी जल्दी बढ़ता है, किंतु समय आने पर वो फिर टूट जाता है, हवा में वो टूट जाता है। इसी की कहा जाता है साक्षी रूप। इसलिए हम जो कथा प्रसंग में जो आ रहे हैं, जयति जन निवासो जनेषु, समस्त जीवों के हृदय में साक्षी रूप
so Lord is the
विराजमान होते हैं।
witness in everyone's hearts. And Jana Nivas also means
दो अर्थ होता है।
2 meanings.
जनम जनाना परिकर है, अपने
Means his associates.
भगवान सदा सर्वदा
Lord is always with his associates.
जैसे जैसे परिकर होते हैं भगवान ऐसे परिकरों की निकट अपने स्वरूप को प्रकाश
And he manifests his form according to the devotee.
जो ऐश्वर्य रूप के भक्त
Those
परिकर होते हैं,
devotees who are in the mood of
भगवान
opulence, Lord manifests his form with 4 arms.
जो माधुर्य रस के भक्त होते हैं,
Those who
वही
are in the
भगवान
Madhurya
को
Rasa, Bhagavan
जीव
manifests to
मुड़-
them with 2 arms, playing the flute.
हाँ, सुनिए। क्यों परिकर के ऊपर ही निर्भर करता है
So depends on the associates.
भगवान की स्वरूप माधुर्य
Lord manifests his sweetness and his form according to the devotee.
और कुछ नहीं। बृहद भागवतम ग्रंथ में तो इसकी
So in the book Brihad Bhagavatam it is giving this conclusion.
भगवान जैसे से भक्त होते हैं उस भक्त की स्वरूप और उनकी भक्ति के अनुसार
So according to the bhakti of the devotee, Lord manifests his form accordingly.
वही कृष्ण
So the same Krishna
वैकुंठ में
in Vaikuntha,
नारायण के रूप में चतुर्भुज में
he manifests in the form of Narayana in Vaikuntha with 4 arms.
के भक्त होते
Because the devotees in Vaikuntha, they are in which
हैं।
rasa?
भक्त होते हैं।
Which one?
क्या बोलते हैं
What?
शांत प्रधान
Which one?
दस रस।
Shanta Pradhan Dasya. Shanta is prominent and
और
Dasya
वही
is secondary.
कृष्ण अयोध्या में
So the same
रामचंद्र के
Krishna,
रूप में प्रकाशित होते हैं।
then he manifests in Ayodhya as Lord Ram. Rama Shanta is secondary, but Dasa is primary in Ayodhya.
भक्त होते हैं उस भक्त के अनुसार भगवान
So according to the devotee,
स्वरूप
Lord manifests his form and his dham and everything.
ऐश्वर्य धाम माधुर्य धाम में भी प्रकाश ये यहाँ पर जो कर रहे हैं जन निवास जनेशु गोप आदि के निकट स्वयं भगवान गोपाल के रूप में प्रकाशित होते
So
हैं
also to the Gopas, Lord manifests as a Gopa also. And to the Yadavas, Bhagavan manifests differently.
कैसे प्रकाशित होते
How?
हैं ऐश्वर्य रूप आदि
In the opulent form.
वृंदावन में कृष्ण सदा सर्वदा
So the Krishna of Vrindavana is always with 2 arms and playing the flute.
और मथुरा में
But the Krishna in Mathura, Krishna from Mathura,
अधिक रूप में द्विभुज कभी कभी चतुर्भुज प्रकार रूप में
generally he is with 2 arms, but sometimes 4 arms also. But in Dwarka, mainly he is with 4 arms.
रूप और कभी कभी
And sometimes 2 arms.
क्योंकि जैसे जैसे भक्त होते हैं
Because according to the
उस भक्त
devotee,
की प्रेम माधुर्य आदि आस्वादन करने के लिए भगवान वो स्वरूप के
to relish the mood of the devotee and his ras and everything, Lord manifests a form accordingly. So the most beautiful form that Bhagavan manifests is where?
कहाँ पर होते हैं?
Where?
उत्तम कि सब
Uttam.
कोई श्लोक है
Some verse you have about this?
रमणम सुंदरता पुरुष सौंदर्य मोहित समस्त जगत जनस्य इस श्लोक में तो स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया
So this sloka explains very clearly.
कृष्ण सौंदर्य माधुर्य कहाँ पर होते हैं राधा जी के
Krishna
राधा
manifests his beautiful form,
चंद्र
most beautiful form in Rasa Stali when he is with Srimati Radhika.
कृष्ण के सौंदर्य माधुर्य तक की पराकाष्ठा एकमात्र रासस्थल
So
में
when the most
वो
beautiful
राधा
form of Krishna, he only manifests in Rasa dance when he is with Srimati Radhika.
जी। वही रासस्थली में विशेष करके रासस्थली की कथा बता रहे हैं
Especially in the Rasa dance. Rasa Stali, the place of Rasa.
स्वयं भगवान रासस्थली में ऐसे सुंदर रूप के प्रकाश हुए।
So Bhagavan manifests a beautiful form in the Rasa Sthali.
गोपियों के सामने जो ऐसे
The
प्रकाश
Rasa dance in front of the gopis.
है। एक बार रासस्थली में
Once in the Rasa dance,
कृष्ण तो बंशी वादन किया
Krishna played the
और
flute
सारी गोपियां उपस्थित
and all the gopis came.
सारे गोपियां अपने अपने अहमिका प्रकाश करने लगी
Then the gopis, they were feeling so
अभिमान मैं
proud.
सबसे सुंदरी हूँ।
I am the most beautiful, I am the most beautiful, they were saying, each of them.
सब गोपियां अपने अपने अभिमान को प्रकाश करने लगी।
The gopis, they were manifested their like ego or like
इसमें
they're
सबसे
proud.
कौन है निर्णय कौन
Their pride,
रविंद्र
no?
बोले मैं ही देता हूँ
Who is their pride? Who is the most beautiful?
बोले कैसे दो
Krishna is saying,
कृष्ण कहने लगे
I will
सबसे
judge who is the most beautiful.
प्योर सोना कैसे हम पता
Just
लगे
like, for example, how can we know what is the purest gold?
हाँ? वो एक प्रकार जो है पत्थर होता है उसमें
There's some kind of a stone that if you rub, like if
सोने के काम
you
करते हैं ना
rub in the gold,
वो एक पत्थर काले एक पत्थर
is
होता है,
one black
उसको
stone
काले पत्थर बोलते हैं।
called caustic pata,
काला।
is one small black
अशुद्ध
stone,
कहा जाता है।
Kasotika, the
बोले
name.
सोने के अप्सरी जो है कसौटी में
I don't know the English name. And then you can rub this black stone in the gold, and in this way you can check if the gold is original or pure, no, or not.
सुंदर सुंदर
So
और मैं कैसे हूँ ये मेरा भुजाएं
Gopi
कैसे
said, Krishna said, you gopis are like gold, and my arms are like
तो मैं
this
अपने
black
भुजाओं के
stone.
द्वारा
So with my arms, I can
कौन सर्वश्रेष्ठ
judge
है
and ascertain who is the best amongst you
सभी गोपियां
gopis.
कहेंगे।
Because each gopi was saying, I am the most beautiful, I am the most beautiful, like
तो
this.
कृष्ण ने क्या की
So
उसी
Krishna,
आसनस्थली में एक एक गोपियों के अपने भुजाओं के द्वारा उठाया
he started lifting each gopi in that rasa stali.
आसमान उठा करके अंत में
And in the end,
राधा जी को जो है उठाया
Krishna lifted Shrimati
उठा
Radhika.
करके कहने लगे
And he told,
राधा जी
hey Radhe,
सर्वोत्तम
Shrimati Radhika is the highest.
बिहारी लाल
Like the most beautiful, she's the superior of all.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी कहते हैं
So here it
जैसे
says,
जना निवासो जनेसु गोप और जादव के मध्य से जो निवास आदि करते हैं प्रेम लीला
he stays with his devotees, his associates, and doing pastimes.
और जदबा जनानांग जीवानांग निवास आश्रय समस्त जीव जिनके चरण कमल में आश्रय लेते हैं इसलिए
All
उसको
the living
नारायण जी कहा
entities
जाता है।
take shelter of him. That's why his name is also Narayana.
अयनम नारायण अयन माने आश्रय
Ayam means he's the shelter.
कि आश्रय में रहता है आश्रय में जीवेशु निवसति अंतर्जामित्य तत्सच इसको मैंने भी कहा जीव के हृदय में भगवान अंतर्जामित के रूप में
So Lord is in the hearts of all the living entities as like
यहाँ तक
witness,
आप साधन
super
भजन
soul.
करने के लिए जाए
So if you do bhajan and sadhana also,
साधन भजन करने के लिए वो कौन रहता है
who
चैत्य गुरु
stays
के रूप में रहता है
in your heart? This Chaita Guru is in your hearts, the Guru in the hearts.
चैत्य गुरु बपुषा भगवान की तरफ
Lord says,
वही आपके हृदय में प्रेरणा देंगे
so He'll inspire your heart.
प्रेरणा देते हैं
He inspires your heart.
परिमाण आपके चित्त निर्मल होते जाएगा
The more purer, like the more pure is your heart, more
प्रेरणा देकर
Chaita Guru will inspire you and will make you like take you forward.
वही हमारे हृदय में सदा सर्वदा चैत्य गुरु और वही महंत गुरु के रूप में
So He's always with us, and this Chaita Guru, and He manifests also in the form of Mahanta Guru.
वही हमारे दीक्षा गुरु शिक्षा गुरु के रूप में प्रकाशित है
So He manifests in the form of Diksha Guru and Shiksha Guru. Like Bilamangala Thakur in the first sloka of Krishna Karnamrita, he says,
गुरु में शिक्षा गुरुश्च भगवान सिखिभिंच मौली चिंतामणि जयति चिंतामणि की जय युक्त हो अनेक अर्थ है इसमें
so many meanings in this verse,
एक अर्थ नहीं है
not only one.
चिंतामणि साधारण रूप में दिखा जाए बिल्लमंगल के वर्तमान प्रदर्शक गुरु के रूप में कौन
So generally see who is the Vartma Pradashak Guru of Bilamangala Thakur is Chintamani.
बिल्लमंगल
I
ठाकुर
think you know this story.
चिंतामणि नामनी कोई स्त्री बार बेचा के साथ आ सकते
So he was attached to some prostitute.
बहुत लंबी कथा इतिहास तो आप
So
जानते
the story is very big. You know the story.
सब जानते हो कि नहीं
Everyone knows the story, right? Gopal, do you know the story?
चिंतामणि की कथा बिल्लमंगल चिंतामणि की कथा जानते हो कि
Do
नहीं
you know the story of Bilamangala and Chintamani?
जब धिक्कार दिया चिंतामणि ने कही अरे हमारी ये हड्डी मांस चमड़े के ऊपर ऐसे आ सकते
So Chintamani said, why are you so attached to my body and flesh and my bones, this body?
ठाकुर ने किया
Why are you not attached to Lord? Then Bilamangala left
वृंदावन को
and went in the direction towards Vrindavan.
वर्णन है कि नहीं जानते हो आप
Do you know this katha?
बिल्लमंगल की कथा नहीं सुना
You've never heard the life history of Bilamangala Thakur?
ये चिंतामणि नाम की बेसा कि अनुप्राणा
So
प्रेरणा से
this prostitute named Chintamani.
प्रेम धन प्राप्ति है इसी कारण चिंतामणि जयति
So he got like the wife of Prem because of her. So who is actually this Chintamani?
चिंतामणि स्वरूप स्वयं भगवत स्वरूप ही है
Bhagavat Swarup. a form of God.
अनेकों कथा है। कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी
So there are many stories.
लिखते हैं,
Krishnadas Kaviraj
सारंग
Goswami
रंगदास
wrote
टीका में भी लिखा
in
गया।
Saranga
दो प्रकार
the
की
commentary also
फिर
explains.
आपको इस कथा को फिर मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा।
So I have to tell again this
मैं
katha
बताएं, छोड़ कर चले
because
जाऊं।
I was thinking this story is very big. I was just like, I thought I would just mention this story, but like I need time to
बिलमंगल
speak all
ठाकुर
this
जो है,
complete
दक्षिण
story.
देश में कृष्ण बेन्ना नदी के तट पर
So Bilamangala Thakur, he took birth in South in
संभ्रांत गृह में उसको जन्म लिया।
Sambrant Griha, like a rich family, Brahmin family.
कहाँ पर जन्म हुआ? कृष्ण बेन्ना नदी के
Krishna
तट पर।
Vena River,
ब्राह्मण
at the banks of the Krishna Vena River in a wealthy family.
ब्राह्मण
Every
धर्म
day
पालन करते
he used to follow the Brahmana's
किंतु बिलमंगल
duties,
ठाकुर के पूर्वजन्म के संस्कार के अनुसार
but according to his previous life
भगवान के लीला
samskar,
कथाओं के प्रति अधिक जो है वो जोर देते थे।
he
जहाँ
used
जहाँ पर भगवान
to
की
give
लीला
so much
कथा होती थी,
emphasis in the Bhagavad
वहीं पर
Katha.
चले जाते थे। उनके कोई एक मित्र किसी समय जो है उस कृष्णवेणा नदी के उस पार में
So some friends,
रमणी रहते थे, ठीक है, उसके नाम चिंतामणि। कई कथाएं हैं,
so there is some
तो उनके बारे में
so many
उनको
stories.
सुनाया।
So there
ये
was to
देखो,
live
पार
a
में
lady.
चिंतामणि नामनी कोई स्त्री रहती
So his friend told, oh, there is a Chintamani lady, a lady named Chintamani, in the other side of the river.
अत्यंत
So he used to go there,
है।
and because she used to describe Krishna's pastimes in such a beautiful voice and everything,
बिल्लमंगल ठाकुर ने क्या कि
Bilamangala heard of her, and he went with his friends there to see this Chintamani. And Bilamangala really saw how she used to describe Lila's kathas of Krishna pastimes with such a beautiful voice and everything, and his heart melted.
नित्य प्रत्यह चिंतामणि के पास
Bilamangala heart melted. So every day he used to go there. So in Chaitanya Charitamrita said Ketchit, like some people say she was a prostitute, but also actually she was not a prostitute. People say.
इसलिए कहते उसमें लिखा है केचित।
So Ketchit, the verse says, some people say she was a prostitute. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in the commentary, he said, Ketchit, some people say she was prostitute, but this is not my opinion. So you can see the Saranga this commentary in the to Krishna Karnamrita made by whose tika? Whose commentary is it? Uttam, now he's remembering less. Gopal Bhatt Goswami, he wrote this commentary. So the commentary to Krishna Karnamrita, Gopal Bhatt Goswami wrote Saranga Ranga Da Dipika. So the name of the commentary. So he says some people say she was a prostitute, but she was not a prostitute. She was beautiful. And with beautiful moods, bhava, she used to express the leelas of Krishna. Vesha, prostitute, somebody who sells her body for money. But Chintamani was not like that. But some people say, okay, let's continue. So Bilamangala, every day he used to go to hear from her. And listening to Harikatha, he became attached to her. Because if you listen to Harikatha from someone, you'll have faith to this person. You'll increase your faith towards this person. So one day, his father left body, Bilamangala Thakur's father. And then because of that, you must feed the brahmanas and like for the ritual of somebody who is deceased, who deceases. So he told, tomorrow I cannot come. He told to Chintamani, because my father passed away, I need to do some rituals. I need to feed the brahmanas. Chintamani said, okay, no problem. But in the lunchtime, in the time when the time came to feed the brahmanas, all the activities, the fire sacrifice, everything, he started remembering so much Chintamani and the Lila Katha. She speaks, oh, today I'm not going to listen to Harikatha from her lotus mouth. I'll be deprived of Harikatha today. So Bilamangala Thakur, all those ingredients to feed the brahmanas, he just bound in his gamcha and he started taking, he left and started to take this to Chintamani. His wife saw this and said, what are you doing? So the wife saw he was going somewhere.
तो पत्नी उसके पीछे पीछे दौड़ने,
And wife started chasing him. You're not with the Brahmanas, where are you going?
पत्नी के तो काम यही है ना,
Because this is the duty of the wife. The wife must, conduct the husband to the right path of righteousness. So she was chasing after her husband, and the God's desire and the influence of time. So started some
आंधी तूफान आने से
storm started.
आगे चले, उसके पीछे पत्नी,
So
और इतने
Bilamangala was running, and his wife was chasing him from and also a big storm was.
उसके पत्नी को डांस दिया,
Also there was a great storm at that moment. So some snake beat her,
नदी में जाके
the wife, and she was bit by the snake, and her body was like rolling, and then she came to the river, like her body fell in the river.
इतना हवा चल रही है,
So there's so much wind.
नदी भी लबालब,
There was no also boats to cross the river. There are great like a strong current of water in the river. So Bilamangala, he didn't see. He thought that his wife's dead body was some log, like tree log. So he took hold of her dead body, thinking it was a log, and like this he crossed over the river to the other side. So when he came to the other side, it was still raining and cold and storm. So Chintamani, her house was closed, all the gates. So he knocked the door, but she didn't even hear, because of the rain and everything. So he saw that there was some rope. So he took, he grabbed this rope, and with this rope he just climbed and went inside her house, and some noise came. Chintamani heard this noise, and she saw it was Bilamangala Thakur. So somehow she lifted him, lifted him up and brought him inside the house. How did you come here? You told that today was you have to feed the Brahmanas because of your father. Bilamangala Thakur said, Chintamani, because every day I come in the same time, so I could not control my mind. I wanted to listen to your Harikatha. And look, I also brought the food of the Brahmanas. I brought it to you. Chintamani said, how did you cross the river? And he said, oh, there was a log. Then from the window, they looked from up, and then they saw it was not the log. It was the wife's dead body. Because when the jiva is absorbed in some sense gratification, something cannot say anything else. So Chintamani also asked, how did you climb over my gates? Oh, there's a rope. Not a rope, it's a black snake. So he was thinking the snake was a rope, and he just grabbed the snake and so Chintamani also said, Bilamangala Thakur. She started saying, Bilamangala, you have so much attachment to me and made you blind to everything else. Even you broke your dharma, your religious duties, and you came to me. If the same attachment you would apply to God, your life would be successful. Ailas, my body made of flesh and bones. You have attachment to this. Ailas. Are you not ashamed of what you've done? What you've did? What you've done? When there's some love. And so, when there's some love and something happens, it's like such a big consequences. Because Bilamangala was thinking, oh, I did everything for her, and she's telling me this. Because she said, oh, if you had love for Krishna, then your life would be successful. So he left her house and headed to Vrindavan. Bilamangala Thakur. So you see how his life changed. Like something happened, something bad happened, and he just changed the course of his life. So who showed to him the path of going to Vrindavan? Jayati, Chintamani. May this Chintamani be victorious. She inspired me. She inspired me to go to Vrindavan. She gave me the inspiration to go. She gave me the inspiration to attain to Lord.
वर्तमान प्रदर्शक गुरु कहा जाता है।
So she's like my Vartma Pradasharaka Guru.
सुना देता हूँ।
Okay, I'll just speak a little bit more of the
आगे
Harikatha.
चलने लगे,
Then Bilamangala Thakur,
चलते
he
चलते
walking, he.
दोपहर हो गया, प्यास लग रहा था,
So it was lunchtime. He was thirsty.
उस समय जो है
So at that time,
एक
there was
स्त्री
some
जो है, अभी अभी मैंने
woman.
विवाह की,
She had just gotten married,
और कुएं में पानी उठा रहे थे।
and she was taking fetching water from some well. And he told her, please give me some water. So she gave.
उसके मुंह पे ऐसे
So you know, when you drink water, you like drinking with your hands, and you look up. Then he saw the face of this woman, and he had some desire in his
फिर
heart.
बिल्वमंगल ठाकुर के मन में
Then Bilamangala Thakur,
अनुशोचना हुई,
he repented. Had repentation, like he repented. He regretted.
मेरे मन में ऐसे आ गया,
Oh, again, I'm having these desires in my mind. So
अगर भजन की
he thought my eyes are unfavorable for me doing for me.
इसको मैं दंड
No,
देता हूँ,
I cannot do Bhagavad Bhajan because my eyes are unfavorable. So I'll punish my eyes. So when this lady left, he went after her and said, "Please give me the your hairpin
वो भी सोचता है जी
of your hair, pins of your hair."
चलने वाली इसके पैर में भी
So she was thinking, the woman was thinking, maybe he has some thorn on his feet or something. So he need my hairpin. So she gave.
उनके सामने देखते देखते ही
But in front of her, immediately, he took these pins and just pierced his own eyes.
अंधा हो गया,
So he became blind.
और
And
रक्त की
so
धारा
much
ऐसे पड़ी।
blood falling, and he was just continue walking.
वृंदावन मुझे जाना है,
I must go to Vrindavan.
स्वयं भगवान विचार करने मेरे भक्त को मुझे ही ले जाना पड़ेगा।
Then Swami Bhagavan thought, I must take my
और स्वयं
devotee.
भगवान वहीं पर आ गए, कृष्ण आकर के बोली,
Then Krishna came
"बिल्वमंगल
there and
ठाकुर
said,
कहाँ जा रहे हो?"
Bilamangala Thakur, where are you going?
कृष्ण बोले, कृष्ण परिचय नहीं दिया, बोले मेरा नाम क्या है, बोले लोग कृष्ण कहने
But
लगे,
Krishna
मुझे लोग
didn't say who
कान्हा
was he. What's your name? People call me Kanai or
बोले, "गाय
Kanu.
क्या करते
Krishna
हो?"
said,
बोले, "मैं
what do
गाय
you do
चराती हूँ।"
here? Oh, I graze
दो चीजें
cows.
करता हूँ मेरा।
Actually, I do two things,
कृष्ण
Krishna
कहने लगे,
said.
बिल्वमंगल यहाँ पर मैं दो काम
Bilamangala,
करता
I
हूँ,
have two jobs, like two
गाय चराता हूँ,
duties. One, I
और
graze
इसके बाद
cows,
कोई यदि
and
रास्ता भूल
if
भूल जाए,
also
तो
someone
तुम्हें
like
रास्ता दिखाता हूँ।
misses like the path or like
तात्पर्य क्या है? कोई कर्म वालों के
if
ज्ञान
someone
मार्ग
is
में
lost,
चलते
I
हैं,
help them to
भटक
find
जाते हैं
the
ना,
right path
इसे
again
यथार्थ
back.
रूप में भक्ति मार्ग में
Actually, the meaning is if somebody is going to the karma path of karma or jnana, I bring
तुम
them
जा
back
रहे हो,
to the path
हाँ
of
हम भी
bhakti.
जा रहे हैं वृंदावन,
Oh,
तुम
so
जा
you're
रहे
going? Yes, I'm going to Vrindavan. Okay, so do one thing.
हो। हैं? भगवान ने क्या की, उनका हाथ
So
पकड़
Krishna
के
took
चल
hold of his hand and like was like leading him.
भगवान चलते चलते बिल्वमन ठाकुर
Walking, Krishna told to Bilamangala, Bilamangala, I heard you are from South India. People from South India, they know so much Sanskrit.
जितने भी दक्षिण देश में जाओगे,
In Orissa, and
सारे लोग
the
क्या है?
more south you go from
संस्कृत
in
में ही
India,
बातचीत करते थे।
people even before they even used to
देखो
speak in
बंगाल से
Sanskrit.
लेकर के जितने भी आप दक्षिण देश में
So
जाओगे,
from
यहाँ
Bengal,
पर
the
लोगों
more
की
you go to
संस्कृत जो
south,
है,
people
pronunciation जो है वो पक्का होता है,
they are
perfect
perfect in the Sanskrit pronunciation.
है।
Understand?
यद्यपि शास्त्र में कहा गया कश्मीर ब्राह्मण भी कम नहीं है,
Actually, the Kashmir Brahmanas are also not less, Shastra explains, but
उड़ीसा
Kashmir is from North India, but
दक्षिण जितने दक्षिण देश में जाओगे,
Orissa and South India, the more South India you go,
संस्कृत जो
South of
pronunciation जो है,
India, the pronunciation of the Sanskrit that they do, the people in
और
this
लोग
area
इधर
is
जो
pure.
इधर इस तरह के लोग जो है उस समय की बात है,
So at
सब
that
लोग
time, you know,
संस्कृत में बहुत
people
ज्ञान रखते,
they
चर्चा रखते।
they even used to speak in Sanskrit. They had so much knowledge in Sanskrit. They were vidwan, like so much learned and scholar
बिल्वमंगल
at the time.
एक तो ब्राह्मण परिवार जन्म,
So Krishna told,
विद्वान भी होते,
first you're born in Brahmani family. You are so learned and scholar. So tell me some Krishna katha.
बिल्वमंगल के पूर्वजन की संस्कार जो है,
So Bilamangala had some scar from previous lives. I told he was born in a high Brahmana family. He was qualified in all the manners. So Bilamangala Thakur, he just started speaking such beautiful verses. Like he actually created the verses and speaking at the same moment.
कर्ण अमृत देना,
Like he was just
कृष्ण सुनने लगे,
speaking these slokas and Krishna was hearing.
पंचम अध्याय ना,
Mahaprabhu just have, I think, 5 chapters of this book or half or something. Like Mahaprabhu didn't get all the book, only a part of the book we have. So actually, there were so many verses he spoke
भगवान
in Krishna, in original, like originally in
एक
this.
नंबर श्लोक है, 104 नंबर श्लोक पढ़ लेना।
So you must read the first sloka and the 104.
4 नंबर श्लोक में क्या है? 104 नंबर में
The 104 sloka.
में कामदंच में जीवनंच में जीवनापर है।
Shloka 104 number of Krishna Karanamrita is very beautiful.
तो सुंदर श्लोक सुनाए हमको,
So he
भगवान
told
प्रसन्न हुए।
beautiful shlokas.
है। तो यहाँ पर
Bilamangala
भी
told
हमारे
to Krishna,
टीकाकार
and
कहते
Krishna
हैं,
was so
बिल्वमंगल
happy.
ठाकुर कृष्ण पक्ष गोपी।
Actually, in
कौन
commentary
सा?
explains that Bilamangala,
कृष्ण
he's a
पक्ष
Krishna
गोपी।
Paksha
जो में
Gopis.
कृष्ण की महिमा उन्होंने कीर्तन किया।
Like he's a gopi more inclined to Krishna,
उसी
inclined to Krishna.
टीकाकारों ने
So
उसी
he
को जो है
glorified more about
राधाई
Krishna.
के भाव माधुर्य के प्रकाशित किया गया। कृष्णदास
In the
कविराज
commentary,
गोस्वामी
Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami
और
and also,
क्या बताया?
what did I say? Who?
सारंग रंगदा
In the
पुस्तिका
Saranga that
गोपाल
this
भट्ट
Gopal Bhatt
गोस्वामी
Goswami,
उसी
they
पुस्तक में राधा
showed the glories of Shrimati Radhika in the commentary, also showing the mood of Radha Paksha Gopis. But
रूप गोस्वामी
Bilamangala
पाद
Thakur
में
is a gopi
भक्ति
from the side
रसामृत
of
सिंधु
Krishna,
में
like Krishna
साधक की
Paksha.
परिभाषा देते हुए
So in the definition of sadhaka in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami says that
साधका
Bilamangala Thakur, he is
बिल्वमंगला देव साधका
example of a sadhaka. Real sadhaka is Bilamangala Thakur.
बिल्वमंगल के नाम आ गया साधक में, हम तो
So,
साधक में नहीं है।
so we are not sadhakas actually.
साधक किसको कहते हैं, सिद्ध
Who is
किसको कहते
actually
हैं, इसको परिभाषा
sadhaka or
जब हम
siddha? If we analyze the
करेंगे,
definition
तो हम
about
साधक
this,
की
we see that
लाइन में अभी तक है ही नहीं।
our name is not
हैं? साधक किसको कहते हैं?
our
उत्पन्न,
name is not yet in the list of the sadhakas.
उत्पन्न रतयो।
So who is a sadhaka? Uttam, tell me
क्या
the
श्लोक है?
shloka. What is the shloka? Uttam.
भूल गए।
Forgot?
साधका परिकीर्तिता, रति उत्पन्न हो गया कृष्ण दर्शन में।
So the person already has a rati.
सामान्य कुछ बाधा होने के
The
नाते
person is qualified to see Krishna, but because of some impediments, he is still not complete.
रति उत्पन्न हो चुका
So the person has developed the rati already. So what is the verse?
साधक किसको कहा जाता है, सिद्ध किसको
Who is a
कहा जाता
sadhaka and who is a siddha?
है? सब महाभागवत
Practitioner
के रूप में हम
and
कहते हैं।
perfect.
जब इसी
So
श्लोक
we
में
are
जब
saying
आ
that
जाता
everybody
है,
is Mahabhagavat, but if you really analyze,
पढ़ेगी बाद है
Trinada Pisunichana, my Gurudev used to say,
वैष्णव होते छिलो मारे साथ
I wanted to become a Vaishnava.
भी सुनिए श्लोके पढ़ेगी बाद। मैं वैष्णव होने के लिए बहुत प्रयास
I tried to become a Vaishnava. Yeah, I want to become Vaishnava.
बड़ा ये श्लोक,
But when I read this sloka,
मेरा तेनाद भी सुनी जीवन में होगा ही नहीं।
Trinada Pisunich, I saw that I'll never be Trinada Pisunich and I'll never be Vaishnava in my life.
तेनाद भी सुनी श्लोके पढ़ेगी बाद है, समझ में?
Understand?
साधक किसको कहा जाता है? इसलिए साधक
So who is a sadhaka?
उत्पन्न रतयो, रति उत्पन्न हो गया कृष्ण दर्शन की साक्षात।
So the person has already developed the rati. The person is qualified to have the darshan of Krishna.
अनुपगत साधक आप देखो,
You see the shloka? He told.
आलोचना होना चाहिए।
So you must study all this, then you'll be able to remember.
तो इसके ऊपर भी टीकाकार विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती बहुत
So in the
सुंदर
commentary, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur wrote a beautiful commentary about this.
तो हम आगे चले कथा को जो
Okay, so let's continue the katha.
कृष्ण कृष्ण वो कथा को उसमें बहुत प्रसन्न।
So Krishna was very happy with that katha, and then
नाम ही रख दिया कि परवर्ती काल में ग्रंथ के रूप में प्रकाश हुआ, नाम ही रखा कृष्ण कर्ण अमृतम। कृष्ण
so the name of the book later became like Krishna Karna Amrit, because that which gives nectar to Krishna's ears.
में आगे निकट में आगे
So when they were coming to Vrindavan, Thakurji told,
ठाकुर जी ने क्या कि
I will go now.
then
Thakurji, she dropped the hand of Bilamangala. She came. So when he was holding his hand, like Krishna was holding his hand, Bilamangala didn't realize it was Krishna. But when Krishna left, Bilamangala realized, oh, Thakurji left me. Then Bilamangala told, hey Krishna, you may like go away from my hands or like leave my hand, but if you go from my heart, you cannot go from my heart actually. You can leave my hand, like you can go away from my hand, but not from my heart.
इसलिए उन्होंने वो लिखा ना, नहीं बिल्वमंगल ठाकुर के जो श्लोक है,
so that shloka that Bilamangala Thakur wrote,
ब्रजे प्रसिद्धं नवनीत चौरं गोपांगनांच दुकूल चौरं अनेक जन्मार्जित पाप चौरं चौरं अग्रगण्यं पुरुषं नमामि। उसमें लास्ट में है ना,
so in the end we see, in the end of the shloka,
हे गोविंद,
hey Govinda,
तुमको मैं दंड दूंगा।
I will punish you.
क्या दंड दोगे?
Which punishment I will give you?
तुमको कारागार में मैं रखूंगा।
I'll put in a dark dungeon. A dungeon for how long? How is it?
हृदय हृदय रूपी कारागार में तुमको रखूंगा
I'll keep in the dungeon of my heart.
और ये कब मोचन करोगे?
When will you free me from this dungeon? Then Bilamangala
प्रलय काल
told,
भी चले जाए,
even the destruction time will come,
कभी
Pralaya.
हृदय से जो है
Still, I'll never ever free you
मुझे आम
from this prison of my heart. So this katha is so beautiful.
की कथा है।
Bilamangala katha.
इसलिए मैं इस कथा प्रसंग इसलिए
So in this context, Jayati, this also word is also used. May you be victorious.
भक्ति राज्य में उसी प्रकार की
So in the kingdom of Bhakti, like in the path of Bhakti, we see this so much.
चिंतामणि जयति सोम गुरु गुरु में शिक्षा गुच्छ भगवान सिखिबिंछ मौली। शिक्षा गुरु कौन है?
Who is the Shiksha Guru?
संग सिखिबिंछ मौली कृष्ण।
Krishna himself, who has a peacock feather on his head.
द्वारकाधीश मथुराधीश कृष्ण की नहीं करे।
He is not speaking about Dwarkadish or Mathuradish. Who is Krishna with peacock feather? Only Brajendra Nandana Krishna.
यहाँ पर बहुत अनेक कथाएं हैं, टीकाकार तो बहुत सुंदर में रहते हैं।
So many kathas here. All the commentaries explain about Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru, Vartman Padashak Guru,
चैत्य गुरु,
and Chaita Guru also.
फिर श्रवण गुरु,
Shravan Guru and other gurus also. So many gurus described in Shastra.
भजन क्या बोले? भजन शिक्षा गुरु भी होता है।
Bhajana Shiksha Guru also.
स्वयं भगवान ही कहा जाता
So Bhagavan himself.
है। कृष्ण यदि कृपा करें कोनो
Actually Bhagavan himself.
गुरु अंतर्जामी रूपे सिखाए अपन। देखो अंतर्जामी होता है।
Like this Lok explains, Krishna is in your heart.
तुम गुरु के ढूंढ रहे हो।
So you are searching for Guru,
गुरु तुम्हें ढूंढ रहे
and Guru is searching for you.
हैं।
Like you are searching for Guru or Guru is searching for you.
वो महाराज कृष्ण के
Like
ढूंढ के
Dhruva Maharaj went searching for Krishna,
और
and
नारद ऋषि
Narada Rishi
ध्रुव के ढूंढ के
was searching for Dhruva,
आ गया कि नहीं?
isn't it?
हम भगवान की गोपियां क्या करने
So the gopis, they were
है जो वेणु गीत में भी आ रहे हैं।
in the Venu Gita also we see this. They are
एक
saying,
वन से दूसरे वन में कृष्ण क्यों जाते हैं?
why Krishna goes from to one forest to the other forest? In the commentary explains,
खोजने के लिए गाय
actually
चराना
Krishna, to think Krishna would graze cows. Graze cows is only some excuse for actually searching the gopis.
गाय चराना क्या है? ब्रज के गाय के तो सब उनके चराना थोड़ी पड़ता है।
You know, the cows of Raja, they don't need to be grazed.
किंतु वास्तव में कृष्ण जो
Actually Krishna,
कर रहे हैं,
he goes cow grazing actually only for,
वनांतर एक वन से दूसरे वन क्यों जाते हैं?
why Krishna goes from one forest to other forest? To meet the gopis.
स्वयं भगवान
Swayam Bhagavan, he
गोपियों के साथ मिलने के लिए एक वन से दूसरे वन
goes from one forest to another just to meet the gopis.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
So what is the meaning?
कृष्ण भी सोच रहे हैं मेरे
Krishna
परम
also
गुरु को
thinks,
मैं कैसे प्राप्ति करूं?
how can I
राधिकार प्रेम गुरु
get my Prema Guru? How can I find my Prema Guru?
कृष्ण के गुरु कौन है?
So who is the Guru of Krishna?
राधिका
Srimati Radhika.
है, इसलिए स्वयं कृष्ण
So that's why Krishna himself,
राधा की दर्शन प्रेम प्राप्ति के लिए
to get the darshan of Srimati Radhika and achieve her
कैसे
prem,
लालायित हो जाए?
he's so eager.
तो ये समझते बहुत विचार
So all these are so many conceptions,
सूक्ष्म रस
very
विचार
subtle rasa vichara conceptions of rasa.
हाँ सर केवल एक ही
Understands.
शब्द जयति
So if it is only one word, Jayati,
जयजुक्त हो
so Jayati, may he be success, like victorious.
दास हो स्वयं भगवान गोप जाति के पास रहते
So
हैं
Swam Bhagavan, he stays with the
मथुरा में
Gopas,
और द्वारका में
Gopis, and also
गुरुओं के पास रहते
with the Jadavas in Mathura and Dwarka.
हैं। इस समस्त कथा मध्येश्वर निवास है, इस समस्त कथा भी वर्णन हुआ।
So all these kathas are being described. Lord is also in the form of
भगवान
internal witness.
रहते हैं।
Lord is with everyone.
वही तुम्हारे हृदय में जो अंतर्जामी
So
पुरुष में है
this Antarjami Purush in
और
your heart, like
भजन
super
करते
soul,
करते
when you
वही
do
तुम्हारे
bhajan
निकट
slowly,
साक्षात
slowly,
रूप में
he comes outside in front of you and manifests in front of you.
वंशा कृपा सिंधु विवच पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो जय वंशा
माया जड़ है और जीव
जीव चेतन है, हैं?
क्या कारण
माया जड़ है
So Maya is inert and Jiva is conscious.
किंतु दोनों शक्ति है कि नहीं शक्ति
But both are potencies, right?
है? अभी आइए भगवान के शक्ति के बारे में कहा गया।
So let's talk
जीव
about the
शक्ति,
potencies of Lord.
चित
Jiva
शक्ति
Shakti,
और
Chit
माया
Shakti, and Maya Shakti.
चित शक्ति के द्वारा भगवान चित जगत प्रकाशित कर
With his Chit Shakti,
माया
Bhagavan
शक्ति
manifests
से जड़
spiritual
जगत
world.
प्रकाशित किया
With Jiva Shakti, Lord
और
manifests
जीव शक्ति की
the souls.
द्वारा
And with
जीव समूह के
Jara
प्रकाशित।
Shakti, material potency, Lord manifests material world.
किंतु इस जीव में कुछ जीव जो है
But some
भगवान
jivas,
की तरफ नहीं जाकर
they are not going towards God.
माया के चकचकन के देख करके आ गए
And they want to see the dazzling of Maya, you know,
इसको तो
this
स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया
glow, you know, this
माया का
dazzling
दोष नहीं
lights. Actually, it's not fault of Maya.
है? जीव जो है क्या
The
की
Jiva
ना वो
the
माया
soul,
को भोग करने की इच्छा की
desired to
है?
enjoy
क्या उसको
Maya.
है? चेतन?
What is that verse?
भगवान इच्छा करे माया तारे से निकटते हुए करे हाँ? झपट गया यही होगा
Yeah, this is.
दोष किसका है
So whose
लड़की
fault
का
is
है
it?
कि लड़का का है?
The fault is man. The man has a fault. The boy has a fault, like the young girl or the young
लड़की
boy.
नहीं है, लड़का के
The fault is not from the young girl. It's from the young boy.
है
Okay.
आज समझो
You know, like some young couple or something. They some attraction. Who has fault is the boy.
वो भी शक्ति है जीव भी शक्ति है किंतु जीव
So
स्वतंत्रता
both are potencies, Jiva and Maya.
व्यवहार किया
But the Jiva did misuse of his independence
भगवान की
potency
सेवा करके वो
because the Jiva did not serve to Lord and
हाँ? माया के भोग की वासना की
wanted to enjoy Maya with Maya.
है? कृष्ण बहिर्मुख है भगवान चक्करे निकटस्थ माया धरे झपटिया धरे है तो यही पिता दिया माया उसी प्रकार कहते हैं ठीक है माया भी शक्ति है
Maya is also a
है।
potency.
इसलिए माया हमें
जड़ नहीं हुआ ना
देखो
छाया से
माया क्या है क्या चीज
So he's saying, Maharaj said, Maya
का
is.
स्वरूप तो क्या है
So Gurudev is saying, now, what is Maya? What is the
मैं
form
और
of
मेरा
Maya?
तेरू तेरा
I and
अभिमान आ
mine,
जाता
you
है,
and yours.
तभी
When you have this
उसकी
abhiman,
आदत
this ego, then you act upon this, like
म्रियते
according to
अनया
this.
इति माया।
This is Maya, something you
क्योंकि
can
हम
measure
अपने बुद्धि के द्वारा
with your
क्या
intelligence,
विकल्प
something which
लेते
you
हैं?
can
नाम लेते हैं
measure.
वही तो माया
This is Maya.
हाँ? माया की जो जीव क्या बोले जैव धर्म ग्रंथ
So in
में
the
माया
Java
की
Dharma,
परिभाषा
what is the
दिया
definition of Maya given in Java Dharma?
है। तो उससे हम अपने बुद्धि के द्वारा इसको नाप लेते हैं
So for intelligence, you can measure it.
उसी माया का
So this is Maya.
है और उसमें हम आसक्ति हो जाते हैं
And then you become attached.
एक्चुअल वास्तव माया जीव को नहीं पकड़ कर हम
Actually,
पकड़
Maya cannot
ये
catch the
तुलसीदास
Jiva.
जी हैं।
Actually, the Jiva catches
क्या
Maya.
श्लोक है
So there is even a shloka.
किरीट मरकट किरीट भांति
Krishnadas Kaviraj says,
जिससे बंदर के पकड़ने
just like
के
the
लिए
monkey. If you
एक
want to
आलू
catch the
दिखाई दे
monkey,
घड़े
you
में
show
रख दो।
some potato and put this potato inside like a clay pot.
बंदर उसको खाने के लिए जो
But
आते हैं,
the
वो
like
हाथ
the, you
दिखा
know
देते
this
हैं, मुट्ठी बांध देते हैं।
the clay pot has small like hole to
और निकाल
you
नहीं
know
पाते।
inside you know.
तुलसीदास जी उदाहरण दे रहे हैं
So the monkey puts his hand inside the
तो सोचते
clay
हैं,
pot and grabs
बंदर
the
सोचते हैं,
potato.
ये
And when he tries to
आलू
take
मुझे
him
पकड़
his
के
hand
रखा।
out of the
आलू
clay
छोड़ दो,
pot,
हाथ निकल के आ जाएगा।
his hand becomes stuck because actually he's holding the potato, which is bigger, like
ठीक उसी प्रकार
bigger
से
than the whole of the you know the
आसक्ति
like
ही
you
क्या
know
है?
the
हमें बंधन
part of the pot where the water comes inside, outside. They don't know English name. So what happens?
आसक्ति छोड़ दो बस
If the monkey drops the potato, he'll be able to.
आसक्त हो जाओ
His hand will be able to come out
और किरीट भांति
he will be able to take his
तोता के
hand
पकड़ने के लिए एक
out-
हुक बनाते हैं चक्कर
out of the
उसके
pot.
बाद खाने के दाना दे देते हैं
So also
और
another
वो तोता
example
उसमें बैठ
is
जाता है,
how they
वो
capture
तोता
the
घूम जाते हैं अपने आप
parrots.
और वो तोता क्या करते हैं
So they
अपने
put
जगह
some
पे
wheel and they put some
तोता
seeds,
सोचता
some
है,
food,
ये
and then the
wheel
parrot
जो है,
goes to eat this food,
ठीक उसी
but then the
तरह से
wheel
संसार
moves
में
down, and then the parrot grabs in this wheel because he's like like surprised, and then this way
आसक्ति
he's
के छोड़ नहीं
caught.
पाते
He also becomes captured that
जब
moment.
आसक्ति के छोड़ दो तो हो जाता है
So you cannot give up your attachment, but if you would give up your attachment, then finish, no
आसक्ति
problem.
ही क्या है
So the attachment
बंधन के
actually
कारण है क्या?
is the reason of our bound
की कहानी।
our
इसे
bondage.
कहते हैं माया यद्यपि अनिर्वचनीय
So
माया की शब्द के द्वारा व्यक्त नहीं,
you cannot actually describe Maya in words. Anirbachaniya,
वही
like,
हमें आसक्ति रूप में आकर के हमें
but
संसार में
it
बंधन
comes in this world to us in the form of attachments. Maya comes in the form of
और इसमें
attachments.
उन्मान आ जाता है।
And then
अब
we
माया
have
के
this
दो प्रकार के
Abhiman,
कार्य होता है, एक
ego, and also Maya has two
अवरात्मिका
functions.
वृत्ति और एक
Avaranatmika Vritti and
विक्षेपात्मिका
Vikshitatmika Vritti.
हाँ, समझिए, और कुछ
Understand?
कारण नहीं। आवरण कर देते हैं जीव के जीवा
So the
आवरण
Maya
ऊपर से
covers the
ढक देते
jiva externally.
हैं। तो जीव इतना छोटा है
So the jiva is so
और ऊपर से
small
ढक देते
and externally is covered.
हैं। स्थूल शरीर और सूक्ष्म शरीर दे देते हैं।
So we are giving this gross
अब
body
अच्छी
and
तरह से
subtle
पैकिंग
body.
कर दिया।
So we are packed very
सत्व, रज,
nicely.
तमोगुण, त्रिगुणात्मिका
And with the ropes
इसी के
of
द्वारा
Sattva, Raj and
करके
Tama, we are
मैं
bound.
दूसरी कार्य क्या है? इस
And
संसार
second
में
function of
उसको
Maya,
निक्षेप करना।
Maya
ये
throws
दूसरे
us in
को
this
बंधन
material
करने
world.
में
Bhaktivinoda Thakur
माया के दो
Javadharma
कार्य
explains,
होता है। एक
Maya
है
has two functions,
अवरात्मिका वृत्ति और
Avaranatmika
दूसरी
Vritti,
है
and second,
विक्षेप।
Vikshit Atmika Vritti. Vikshit means to throw.
तब हम इस संसार में आ जाते हैं,
Then we come in this
भूल
world and we
गए।
forget. We forgot.
जिस शरीर में हम जाते हैं उस शरीर का अभिमान हम रखते हैं। अब इस शरीर
So we
में
just
आए,
remember the body
हम कहते हैं
in
मैं
which
पुरुष,
we are now. Like now we are in the
मैं
male body.
सन्यासी
So
हूँ,
you're
मैं
saying, I'm
ब्रह्मचारी
sannyasi,
हूँ।
I'm a brahmachari, I'm a
मुझे
male.
पता है ना क्या वो ना हम विपुल न च नरपति न विश्व न शुद्र न दृष्ट भुजति वा किंतु पद्मो लिखो परमानंद पूर्ण मिताब्दे गोपी भर्तुर पद कमलोर दासम। ये तो मेरा शुद्ध परिचय है।
So these are pure identification, pure identity
मैं
that we are the
सन्यासी,
servants of
सन्यासी
Krishna.
कौन सा है?
But we're saying, I'm sannyasi. Who is sannyasi? What?
मैं ब्रह्मचारी हूँ,
I'm a
मैं
brahmachari.
गृहस्थ हूँ,
I'm a
वानप्रस्थ।
grihastha. I'm
ये
vanaprastha.
सब क्या है? सब
What is this
एक
everything?
एक अभिमान
Is abhiman, like egos or
है।
conceptions.
चैतन्य चरितामृत
Like some
वो कह रहे ना, बोले बड़ा देखिए कि कहा
some
जाते
ego.
सन्यासी प्रथम ही बद्ध अभिमान पाच। चैतन्य चरितामृत पढ़ा
Chaitanya Charitamrita, I know that shloka. Have you read?
है। सन्यासी तो क्या है? सन्यासी
You think I'm a
अभी
sannyasi?
कह रहे हैं, बोलते हैं बड़ा यदि की कहा अच्छे सन्यासी प्रथम ही बद्ध है।
So the first bondage of being sannyasi is like you have the abhiman, the ego of being a sannyasi.
महाप्रभु के ये विचार दूसरी है, हैं?
But Mahaprabhu's conception
सन्यास लिया में करीब वर्ष
is different. Actually, Mahaprabhu sees a sannyasi as like something spiritual, some opportunity to come to Vrindavan and to serve and
सन्यास के भी
worship Lord. This is the real meaning of sannyas that Mahaprabhu showed.
अभिमान को छोड़ दे,
Without abhiman, without ego,
ताकि तो जनादिसु
giving up the ego.
अभिमान को छोड़ो।
Give up the
किंतु
ego.
अभिमान छोड़ने से नहीं काम नहीं होगा।
But
तो
no,
मायावादी में फिर चले
if you only give up the ego, you'll become
Uttam,
Mayavadi.
ठीक
Isn't it Uttam?
कौन सा अभिमान ले ले?
Which abhiman you have to have? Which ego you must have?
गोपी भर्तुर पद कमलोद्धार।
You must have the ego of being Gopi Bhartu
ये
Padakamal,
अभिमान होनी चाहिए।
servant of like
ये
Krishna
शुद्ध
and the
अभिमान।
gopis like this. So
और
these
बाकी
are
जो है
pure
सब
identity,
पर
pure
अभिमान।
ego. Rest is
बाकी
only
सब
material ego or like not,
मैं सन्यासी ना हम
they're not true. Like, oh, I'm sannyasi or,
सन्यासी भी नहीं गृहस्थ नहीं वानप्रस्थ।
so I'm not sannyasi, not grihastha like Mahaprabhu said this verse.
बहुत प्रेमानंद। ये जड़ नहीं, क्या बोले? मैग्नेट जड़ नहीं है। वो जड़ है जड़ होने के बाद भी उनमें शक्ति है। जड़ शक्ति उसके नाम ही तो जड़ा शक्ति का है।
So name of Maya is Jara Shakti. So it is one kind of potency. Jai Sri Gurudev ki jai.